Peki. Good afternoon, team. Hope everyone is doing well, guys. How's everyone's day going so far? Good. Quickly had to just go get myself some coffee. I was to my, the lady that works at the cafeteria. I was like, you know what? I've not had enough sleep today, so can I get that extra shot? She was like, that's okay. I was like, just make sure you don't let me go past the 3 shots. She goes, don't worry. We don't want you getting heart attack. So hopefully today we should be able to catch some pips because I've got 3 shots today. I've been sticking to 2 shots, being on my good behavior. But there was a point, guys. In my young days, I used to drink 6 shots a day. Flow, bro, I need to recover my losses so I can get back in positive. Yes, sir. If you really are serious about it, then come join our private team. Then you can get all the support you need. But as I said, it's all about the mindset. So you should not be in a mindset where you want to chase your losses. Should just be a new week. Forget about the losses. Don't chase the losses. Damn, I want to see what happens after drinking 3 shots today. Bro, you see with me, I'm such a coffeeholic, man, honestly. But let me just remove this. How are you doing, Nuno? You good, bro?
Yeah, bro. I'm good. And you?
All good, all good. So how's intermittent fasting going for you?
Very nice, man.
Nice. Good afternoon, Flo. Good afternoon, Nikosana. Good afternoon, Ube. Good afternoon, Mahmoud. Good afternoon, everyone, guys. It seems like gold's been dropping down a little bit. NY Open starts in the next 4 minutes. Still got some time left. Because usually I'm not really a big fan of sort of looking for NY Open trade. Let's look at the 4H as well.
It's kind of looking good.
Ooh. To the top side, right?
Yeah. Double
Ooh.
double bottom.
Yeah. But I need a close back above the breakout area though. It's only if this candle here is giving us that retest, but at the same time it needs to give us that sort of close first, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So far it's just a retest.
1 hour kind of close,
Mm-hmm.
But yeah. 30 minutes seems like is retesting.
Let's see. Let's just give it another 2-3 minutes for the rest of the people to join, and then from there we'll start our analysis. But I don't usually, guys, like to take trades on the open. I like to give it a couple minutes just to settle down, and then from there, because there's no rush, man. There's never any rush, is there, when it comes to trading? Just want to be in a calm. You want to have a calm mindset. You want to have peace of mind, and then from there look for your scenarios. So really do give it a little bit to open. Let them collect some orders. I'll be probably wait for another close, for another 30 minutes to close back above for that 4H scenario to play out. Okay, nice. 12:05. Bro, you sent me that screenshot yesterday of the, what's it called, the spreadsheet. It looks really nice, bro. Really
Yeah.
nice. Great. Did you look up on YouTube or did you do it yourself?
Yeah, I take some ideas on the YouTube,
Really nice. Hey, what's happening, Pirgi? Information. D is the best trade I've ever seen. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Appreciate the support, guys. Appreciate the support. But yeah, the session's just starting now, guys. We will be hosting this session for another 2-3 hours. So make sure you guys have your coffees ready. Get your magic keys ready. Get everything ready. Let's see. Let's make some money. Let's make it. What strategy does this group use? Is my own strategy. I don't have anyone else's strategy. I've built this strategy myself. It's purely based off price action, understanding where the liquidity is, understanding the orders, understanding the order flow, understanding the major psychological levels, understanding many other things, right? Understanding the daily range, different scenarios within the daily range. Gil, good afternoon, my brother. There's many things, right? Many things.
Yeah, today the target is 41 or 42 likes, I think.
Okay. Yeah, today the target is 42 likes. Again, looking at gold, that scenario is saying up, this is your NY open. Now they've given you that sort of retest. And so I think if the next candle does start to break above, it could be that impulsive leg back up. Because how much has the daily range actually dropped at this point? Yeah, it has been giving you that sort of downside play, hasn't it? Essentially, this is the last day of the week. Is also either they do need to take the price down, or they will start to sort of give you some sort of a consolidation. But realistically talking, how much can it really move on a daily? We do have news coming in though at 3 o'clock, so I am interested in taking something then as well. It's moved about 160 pips now, 160 pips altogether. Monthly is sort of turning into a major rejection candle now, isn't it? Look at the monthly, major rejection candle at this point. I think with the NY open, they could give you that sort of breakout move. If they sort of just give you that bottom wick on this candle, start to break above the highs. Since this candle has done its thing now, the job of this candle was to give you that retest, right? So now with the NY open, if they do start to give you a break above this, I think they will give you that sort of like retest going based off the previous 4H. So this scenario can play out, and we sort of needed to start breaking above this area, right? Because this is that main key level for us, and after that we've got the 4H 50% level just up here. It's the 2009.04 previous 4H 50%. Yeah, I think with the NY open volatility, this scenario should set up. Let's put alert above this area here. Until then, again, technically we're quite bearish on gold. So you do need that confirmation before you do start looking for something to the top side. You're super bearish. Your weekly is also coming to a close by the end of today, and so this is where now you need to understand that they need to give you that weekly fake out as well. So if it's one of those big days where they just drop the price, then essentially what you are looking for is just a pullback breather candle, break of the breather candle, retest breather candle, break of the breather candle, and a clean sell position. So even below this now, since you're super bearish as of yet, this is where with the NY open volatility you could see either the drop or like a very nice pump. Let me see the range on this before anything. 35 pips. Do we have that range to the top side? We actually do have the range to the top side as well. At least up to like previous 4H 50%, because it is sort of causing that double bottom in the 4H now. And it doesn't have those sustainable highs just yet, becoming a clean rejection candle. This is where now we need to also see how the previous 30-minute close, because this was the current 4H 50% level was on the 2020 4H. Yeah, if they give you a pump from here now, very high chance of us coming up to retest this level, right? Since the scenario will be 4H double bottom, my bad, and 4H 50% retest. There we go. These are the two scenarios that we got setting up now. On the break of this, I'll most likely give you a go with one entry, and after that maybe wait for another 15 minutes to close above this, scale in with another entry after. So again, dynamic risk approach. Where is my magic keys? Is it not? There it is. Krim, how you doing, my brother? Happy Friday, everyone. Gil, Flo, Information, Piergi, Uber. Hope everyone is doing well, guys. Should be a good session once again today. I've not even downed my free shots yet, so imagine what I can do after free shots.
Oh, bro, I remember when you're back from Ramadan.
Oh, bro, the first day when bro, I think I was so, bro, I was so on it. I was like, you know what? After Ramadan, I'm not touching coffee anymore. I'm not touching caffeine, bro. The day Ramadan finished, I was like, should I do it? Should I not? Should I do it, bro? I had like so much caffeine the day after, and it was like a crazy experience. People don't understand how strong caffeine actually is. It's such a strong drug, honestly. It really is. It really, really is. You do have like a clean range to the downside at the moment. You do have some more sort of range to the downside before it rejects. So let's see. Because it is at all-time lows at the moment on the intraday, I'm not really interested with the NY Open. They might just grab that liquidity, give you a clean rejection, and then pump it back up. Or maybe even on the 15 minutes, they can give you like a clean fake out scenario, give you a close below, and the next one starts to break above. So let's see. I'm just waiting here.
If my first time here, I get a winning trade, I will join VIP, lol.
Oh, wait, what?
LOL.
Uh,
Chat.
if my first time here I get a winning trade, I'll join VIP. My bro Danny, hey, what's happening, Ibrahim, bro? What's happening? What's happening? Yeah, bro, we've had like, forget about one winning trade this whole week. We've averaged out 2 winning trades every single day.
Yeah.
Yesterday was, for me personally, 1 winning trade, but I gave out. But again, that was a 1 to 2 R2R trade. So these are very high R2R trades we're giving out here. Minimum is 1 to 1. So the thing is, with you joining our membership on Zoom, you will be provided with every single thing that you need in order to have that complete strategy, right? Because as a trader, you need to have a lot of things in the equation. And so imagine having one thing in the equation, which could be the live trading session. Another thing in the equation could be the scaling plan, which we can provide you, the risk management plan, having that support from the team 24/7. We can help you with your psychology. There's so many things we do provide. So that's where you become a complete trader once you do join our team. But again, for us, we're completely fine if you don't want to. You just want to watch us here, we don't mind. But if you do want to really take it to that next level, there is that option available. That's all we are saying here. And it's very, very, very cheap compared to what we are offering here on daily basis. Super cheap. Again, on the break of this now, this is the scenario setting up very nicely at this point. Because again, the way daily has sort of dropped down now, it was very impulsive, the nature of this daily, right? So what I will do is, I think I'll give it a go with 1 entry on the break. As soon as the alert goes off with the NY Open momentum, just drive price all the way back up to the highs, and I'll wait for another 15 minutes to sort of close, and at that point look for another entry, but it will just be 1 entry I scale in with. If the alert goes off, I'll give it a go. Stops will go below the previous 30-minute lows, give it plenty of room to breathe. It will be about 35-36 pips. You do want to give it that room to breathe. And from there, you are targeting the top side, right? Because you are at sort of like trading at intraday lows at this point. So you can get some sort of a correction back up. Unless they give you some sort of a massive rejection and a bearish close back below the 50% level. At that point, most likely they want to come down to retest the lows. So it really just depends what happens now. But we do have like this 30-minute confirmation at this point, right? So is a nice confirmation we have. These are the daily highs and the daily lows. Let's also mark them out. The daily highs are up here. and we've got the daily lows just down here now. Everything is set, and we also have the 2000 level that is rejecting from major psychological level. So they've probably done some sort of profit taking down here now and collected some orders, and from here they can take the price back up. And so the minute we see a break above this $5 level that we have, 2005, 2006, should be able to see a nice clean pump up to 2010 at least, right? 2009, 2010 range. And that's where you want to start securing your profits anyway.
Yeah, looks nice, man. Even the double bottom on the 1 hour here.
Exactly. And the thing is, they've also given you a pullback, right? This exactly the double bottom is the pullback as well. So it's not that this is not really an impulsive move at this point. They're giving you a correction back down as well to collect some more orders. So the minute they start to give you a violation up here again now, they're giving you a violation of a major candle, a 30-minute candle, right? And also it's above the breakout area. So technically it's starting to now become a fake out rather than a clean breakout. So if it does become a fake out, the first level we can anticipate is the previous 4H 50% level. And if it does start to give you a breakout above it, then there is a very high chance we will be coming back up to retest the daily highs and potentially even form new daily highs, since again, I don't think the daily highs are quite sustainable just yet, are they? So there still could be that room to the downside, but it's only if they break above. Until then, they can keep dropping the price. They can keep on dropping the price because it hasn't really given you that 200 pip push just yet. So they could still drive the price down, maybe grab some liquidity below these structural lows, and then from there give you a nasty rejection back up. Definitely one of the scenarios. We just have to wait. It's just open. Need some more confirmations. It's too early at the moment. Way too early.
Today gonna be fun, bro. After the NYSC.
Yeah. And because that's the thing. We've got the new 4H coming up. We've got the NYSE coming up. We've got the 3 o'clock coming up with news. There's a lot of volatility ahead of us today, so should be easily should be able to squeeze out one position, one clean position. That's for sure. Let's see.
So it goes.
Bro, it was too hot in this room yesterday, and now they've put the AC up, and now it's too cold. Lord, let me put the jacket on. These guys are too extreme with their temperature. Either it's too cold or it's too hot. They need to fix up their heating system here. Okay. Yeah, I think I will give it a go with one position. Since it is starting to reject once again now. It has clean price action as well. There are no imbalances to the downside as of yet. And this is now a second confirmation here that it wants to push up. So most likely this scenario here can play out if they do give you that breakout, but I will be giving it a go with just one dynamic risk position rather than my full risk, and then I'll be looking for those second bit of confirmations up there potentially with another 15-minute closing above and start scaling in, since it can give you a very nice breakout back up to the top side, right? So it could be a very, very nice trade. But yeah, let's see. Risk it for the biscuit in the first position if it does give you that breakout above this. If the alert goes off, we all know what we got to do. Very simple. Because there's no business breaking above the 30-minute highs. Otherwise, our scenario is setting up very nicely. Very, very nicely. And then previous 30-minute lows should be respected. If the breakout to the top side becomes genuinely valid. Because I think what they are doing is now, it's becoming quite invalid, right? This downside move that they've given you. So either they're trying to now again collect some more orders to start giving you that next leg down, which we can potentially see, or what they are trying to do now is they're trying to see if they can drive the price back up again, and then from there, yeah, there you go, guys. If the alert goes off, I'm in it to win it. Is also starting to pick up some volatility now. That was, I think, with the new 15-minute opening. So it has given you that retest. Either it starts to break back below, or is about to just form a nice clean low and start to pump back up. And I think if this 15-minute can then give me a nice bit of a confirmation, closing back above this area, after that I'll be looking for another position for sure. Because if the 10 a.m. candle starts to reject and it starts to sort of break its own highs, at that point it would be forming new highs, right? These are your 10 a.m. candle highs. We need to see them break as well. If we want to see that push up, we need to see these break. So that's where you can scale in with one entry here and then sort of wait for another entry to start showing up here. So again, you're diversifying your risk rather than just like risking it all on one position, right? Okay, there we go. I'm looking for this position here. As soon as it breaks the highs, I'm in it. I'm ready. SOs below the 30-minute lows. 1-to-1 is just up here as well. Okay. Oh, there we go. Let's go. Wait. It's breaking above now, breaking above. Okay, so as I said, one entry should be taken here and the other one now needs to be taken once you have more of a confirmation. Since what it can still do is it can be a little bit more choppy, so let's see what happens. I'm in with one entry at the moment. Wait, hold up. One dynamic risk entry. I'll take my second entry once I have a bit more confirmation. This way, if I do get taken out, I still have more risk left for the day, right? Beauty of dynamic risk and diversifying your risk when it comes to it. You do have the scenario that makes sense. You give it a go. Now you need to let this run. And you need to see a bit more confirmation above to essentially enter again. It has given you a break. Has no business breaking the lows of the previous candle. And this is where your 4H double bottom scenario should start to play out, as well as your next bit of a scenario should start to play out. So now essentially what I want to see is this 30-minute closing above this resistance level that we have here. And then I'm going to be looking for another entry. So I've got one impulsive entry and I'm going to wait for the next entry to be a higher confirmation entry. So this way now we're playing the game of probabilities, right? At the moment is a very high probability setup, but in order for me to add all of my risk onto this trade, I need a little bit more confirmation, which should be this. So let's see what happens.
And today, bro, I'm gonna close manually.
Yeah.
For the can have a big push and then happens to me like yesterday.
Yeah, from here they could give you a very big push, to be fair. They could. Since it's at all-time lows on the intraday right now. Is pushing up from the daily lows, right? So that's why I just need a little bit more confirmation before I add rest of my risk onto this trade. Because the thing is, it's still tapping this resistance at the moment. So this is where I need that next leg up. And then it's going to just give me that next bit of a confirmation, and I'll be able to take a scalp entry. So in the next 10 minutes, if we can get close above this, next one gives me a low, breaks the highs. I'm going to use the next candle low as a stop loss for my next entry. So let's see. But if it starts to now tap this area here, this is when you want to make it risk free, right? This is the area where you want to make it risk free. Let me just take this away. Until then, you just need to let this one play out. But this is the area where you really want to make it risk free, essentially, right? Until then, you need to let this play out. Okay, we've got the next 9 minutes left. In the next 9 minutes, I want to see that next bit of confirmation so I can enter with another entry. But yeah, one entry running now. Need a little bit more confirmation for the next entry. It is a little bit choppy at the moment. So yeah, let's just wait for it. Next 8 minutes left. Can we get a close above in the next 8 minutes? Should be a very clean confirmation. At that point, we should be seeing the 10 a.m. candle breaking its own highs and pumping. Otherwise, they might want to again sort of. The thing is, right, they've given you a double retest now, and they are starting to give you that break back above. So they do technically want to drive the price. I think they're just lacking a little bit of volatility and momentum at the moment. That's all it is. The markets are lacking some sort of volatility. But that's where you have your 30-minute stop losses in place, and next position will be taken in the next 7 minutes, next entry. And I'm going to just let it run. There we go. There it is. 8 pips up at this point. 9 pips up at this point. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this run, man. But yeah, there you go, guys. Make sure you start making it risk free as soon as it gets this area gets retested. Start making it risk free. On this account, I think my target is £500 with 2 entries. But this trade is gonna make it risk free, man. Holy, make it risk free, guys. Make it risk free. Holy, make it risk. Another profitable trade. Oh, let's go. We don't take losses here. Make it risk free, man. TP hit. Let's go. Drop some W's in the chat, guys. Drop some W's in the chat. Look at this. Look at this. I'm just gonna let this run, man. I got a crazy buffer. We don't take losses here, bro. Crazy, crazy win rate. 100% win rate. Who does it? Who does it like this? Who actually does it like this, guys? Like, I genuinely want to know who does it like this. Straight to the TP, man. We don't play games here. We don't play games here. Drop a like, guys. Drop a like. 100% win rate this whole week, guys, with crazy R2R trades. Minimum drawdown, crazy R2R, 100% transparency. Done on live accounts, very small account that you guys can replicate, not like one of those massive £500,000 accounts or something like that. At this point, you want to make a risk free. For me personally, I'm going to let this run either to stop loss or TP because I'm going to hold it now because I didn't get a chance to enter another entry. So I'm just going to let this run now because I'm in deep profits for the week. So I'm going to let this run. But look at this crazy trade, man. Straight to the TP. Wow. Just insane again. Let's go, bro. If they give me that PH 50% breakout above, this is about to fly to the moon. It's about to fly, man. I knew this was gonna happen. It's about to fly to the moon, bro. It's about to fly to the moon. Honestly, what a crazy play once again, guys. Amazing, guys. Look at this. Literally like another 5-minute trade. Honestly, taken here. Another 5-minute trade. Wow, another 5-minute trade taken here. Just crazy. Crazy. Secure your profits. Your one-to-ones have been hit at this point. I'm going to let this run either to stop loss or TP because for me, I've built enough buffer for the week now. I don't need to come out of this. I'm going to let it run. The confirmations are there. So I don't mind holding it now till the next key area. But there's a very high chance it can reject now and take you out. So do not be greedy and take yourself out of the trade. As I said, if you join a private team, we can give you a scaling plan and everything, and then some days you can afford to do what I'm doing here, but at the moment you guys need to just secure profits. Don't be greedy, just secure your profits. That's what I'm saying. So yeah, very, very nice play here now. Very nice play on this 4H. Look at that, amazing clean play. And at this point it can still flip bearish because now it's giving you that sort of sustainable high, right? And yeah, but what a clean play, man. What a clean play once again today. Insane, right? Haven't taken any losses here this whole week. That's insane. Crazy R2Rs, 0 drawdowns, like minimum drawdowns is insane. 32 pips again on the screen. Drop some W's. Drop a like in the stream as well, guys. We need to beat 40 likes today. That's our target, 40 likes. Drop a like in the stream as well, please. Let's go. See, that's what happens when I take 3 shots of coffee. That's what happens when Dia drinks 3 shots of coffee. Straight up TP. Bingo. Wow. Our scenarios are so decent, man. Like, they're so nice. Like, the way we trade gold is just crazy, bro. No one does it like this, man. No one does it like this, honestly. And I'm saying it from such a humble point of view. But no one does it like this. I'm not trying to brag or anything like that. But this is like what you call legit trading, right? This is not like gambling. This is not like 10 pips here, 60, 70 pips stop losses. This is like minimum drawdowns, positive R2Rs. You've hit your 1-to-1s now. Anything above this is again a bonus. And this was barely minimum drawdown. For me personally, again, I'm going to let this run either to stop loss or TP. But technically, this is the area where you want to take all of your profits out. Because you can always scale back in. But because I have a buffer, I don't mind leaving this. I'll just let it run. But at this point, this should be 100% a winning trade for you guys. Don't try and replicate what I'm doing on my small accounts. Because I've built crazy buffers this whole week. I've built a crazy buffer. I'm like way past my target for the week, right? So I'm just risking some of those profits now in this trade. Because I know there still is that potential that it can spike up. Since it is selling off from the daily lows. And Freaky Fridays are my favorite days. Freaky Fridays are my favorite days. Let's just say that. I love Freaky Fridays, man. This is what we call Freaky Fridays. It just moves and moves and moves, man, on Fridays. Honestly, it just moves and moves and moves. It's totally different approach. Yes, sir. Who was the person who said they're going to join our VIP if we take a profitable trade? Oh, Lord. We've not taken a loss this whole week, man. Not one loss. And we were taking 2 trades a day. That's crazy, bro. 2 trades a day, 0 losses, everything calculated, positive R2R with high win rate, minimum drawdown. Guys, you need to join our team, because we will give you plans to scale these small accounts up. Because my small account, I'm gonna try and flip this to 50,000-60,000 pounds by the end of this year. So if you guys do want to join my team, I'm gonna also tell you how to do the same thing. Because again, you gotta understand, there's gotta be like an approach, right? You can copy my trades, but if you don't have the risk management, the scaling approach that I can give you, it will be a little bit hard. And I can give you the like tips as well, how to like scale in, how to scale out, what to do, what not to do. It will be like a clean mentorship, right? So if you are interested, let us know. Either message me on Insta or message Nuno. Also join our Discord, guys. Discord link is in the description. Join Discord as well. We are about to do a giveaway on Discord real soon, and we'll be providing you guys with a lot of gems. Let's just say that, right? A lot of gems. A lot of gems. Another 5-minute trade. The thing about this is, since it has given you that retest now, if it doesn't break above, then it can give you that sort of drop down, right? So what I'm gonna do is, the minute it breaks above now, yeah, because otherwise what they can do is, because this is the 4H 50% level, and technically the 4H is still bearish. 50,2004, 50,2004, 50,2004, 50,2004. Yeah, technically make it risk free. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it risk free now. Just let it run at this point. Either way, I don't lose anything. I just let it run now. Because from here they can give you a big drop as well now, because the 4H is still bearish, and technically now it's giving you that retest of the PH 50%. If the retest is done, either it's going to start selling off again and then they give you a clean break below, or it's going to give you that next scenario, which is going to be the breakout scenario, right? So at this point, yeah, makes sense to make a risk free and just let this run. But the way they are forming this rejections from here, I think it's going to be a volatile skyrocket move as soon as it breaks above here again. As soon as it breaks above, it's going to go straight past that next TP area for me. Yeah, there you go. Let's see what happens. Just let it run. Small live account. We'll just let it run. Guys, of like, what's our like goal, Nuno, today?
42.
42 likes, guys. Let's smash the like goal, guys. You know, we're staying consistent here. We're holding our end of the deal. Make sure you guys also show some support and some love. We need more than 40 likes. So let's do that, guys. Another profitable trade given to you guys here. 1-to-1 hit. This is where you guys should have secured the profits. I'm personally holding this because I'll build a crazy buffer this whole week. Man, I've been smashing it. So for me, I don't mind either letting this run up to my next area or just letting it hit the BE, because I don't really need these profits for the week, right? So I don't mind. I'm willing to take that calculated risk. But man, you got news coming in, you got NYSE coming in. Oof, it's about to go crazy. Damn. Minimum drawdown on this trade as well. Clean, another clean play in the markets. Okay, I think on this maybe £5 commission I'm gonna pay. Yeah, a little bit more. Okay, perfect. Damn, son, Freaky Friday move. 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 What is the next TP? I can't see on the screen. It's too tiny. Bro, I'm aiming for the 2010 part. If it clears 2011 area, which should be the next rejection area, then it's flying maybe up to even 2015. So I'm gonna take it out before 2015, but 2010, 2011 should be the next rejection area essentially, right? Let's mark it. 40 pips up at this point. 2010, and then you've got 2011. You got the $5 key levels. 2011. Oh, come on, man. I've actually got crazy headache today, guys, because I didn't get enough sleep last night, man. So yeah, you got the 2011 should be the max pullback area, and then you've got the 2010. Like, trading is quite intense, you know. because you're always looking at the screen and you have to, yeah, so this is the max pullback level at this point. But the minute it starts to clear this, it's going to start flying to like at least 2015-ish level. So yeah. But this is where you want to start securing your profits again now, because from here it can give you the nastiest rejection. Very big rejection, right? Yeah, there you go. Guys, drop some W's in the chat. Another winning trade taken here. Let's go. We don't take L's. Everyone spam W's in the chat. Come on, let's do this. Another 40 pips caught here. Literally in less than 5 minutes. Spam some W's in the chat. I want to see the chat going crazy. Drop a like, and we'll be taking more setups, hopefully with the new 4H Open or NYSE. So spam some W's, drop a like. So there we go, team. Also, guys, if you have any, like, post me on Insta. If you guys have any, like, post me, like, make stories, tag me, and you know, you guys got to start doing these things. As I said, look, we got 36 people watching right now, right? Imagine if everyone brings a person. Like, what's that gonna be like? Look, even if you just share this to like one of your friends, right? We got 36 people watching right now. Look at this, like 72 people are gonna have watching, and like, who cannot benefit from this? Like, legit trading, real life trading, positive R2Rs, high win rate. You're not going to blow your accounts up. You're going to flip small accounts with us. This is a live account running right now in front of your eyes, once again, which I've been trading the whole week. Just like, beautiful, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. But 2011 is going to be the next pullback level, essentially. And then after that, they're going to go up to 2015 at least. It should be like a 70, 80 pip push. How many likes do we have, Nuno?
24.
24 likes, guys. Come on, we have a 40 plus likes goal. Let's smash it. Let's smash it. 40 plus likes. The thing is, if this candle here now closes as like a resistance candle, next one breaks the lows, then it can start coming down again. Until then, it's gonna skyrocket and go past this area. And you know, on Fridays, bro, you get those freaky Friday moves, don't you? You really do. Really, really do. Super volatile at the moment as well to the top side. It's not really rejecting in any way possible. Come on, son. 30 more pips to the top side. Yeah. A little bit exhausting at the moment. Starting to exhaust at this point. I'm gonna let it run. It's the 50 breakout scenario now, essentially playing out. 4H 50% breakout. Yeah, there you go. Next scenario playing out now. So there we go. It's flying to the moon. Flying to the moon. Is this 2011 range we need to clear? Until then, it can still reject. As soon as they clear this range, man, they're just gonna skyrocket gold again. But until then, they can still give you that initial draw, maybe grab some liquidity, and then take it back up later.
Yeah, gonna have news too.
Exactly. They might just start to consolidate the markets a little bit. I don't want to see
yeah, say.
Yeah, I just don't want to see a massive resistance forming from 2010.
Because I don't have too much of a buffer. I just secured, you know.
Yeah, your 1-2-1 go hit, man. That's all you need. For me, I don't need this. I'm gonna let it run. Your 1-2-1 go hit. If that's your plan, you secure. Otherwise, you're being greedy. Very simple. Very simple. If that's your plan, you secure. That was my plan throughout the whole weekend. Once I had like a crazy bet for, I'm gonna let it run. Why not? That's the thing about our trading, man. It's like you have a scaling plan, you let your one-to-ones get here, build a buffer, and then after that you let your trades run. If you don't let them run, then you're being a pussy. It's about your psychology. Bet work on it, big boy. Holy push. 46 pips. 46 pips. Clear that 2011. Clear that 2011. Come on, gold. Clear that 2011.
It's gonna retest this imbalance here.
It will. Ooh, it's gonna clear that. If it clears that 2011, it will come up to at least 2013 and give me this massive TP. And then straight up another 1 to 2 R2R here. Crazy, right? Look at this. Come on, clear that 2011. Clear it, clear it, clear it, clear it. 50 pips up. 50 pips up. Come on, come on. Yes, sir. Let's go. Come on. Another pump. It's retesting it. Another pump. Another pump. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. SL will be moved to £250 now. Minimum. Okay, lovely stuff. Minimum I secure 250 on it. Lovely. SO in profit as well now. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Come on. Come on. Clear that 2011. Come on. Come on. There it is. There it is. There is that pump from 2011. There it is. There it is. Come on. Collect those orders. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Give me that TP. Give me that TP. Come
Let's
on.
go, let's go.
Let's go. Let's
Bro,
go.
I don't
60
know.
plus pips. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. No one's doing it like us, man. Let's go. Another amazing trade taken here. Wow. Look at this. Yeah, at this point, bro, I'm just going to come out of it if it goes below 400. I'm so chill with that because it's hit that target for me. It's just not triggered me in. Yeah.
Yeah, 400.
Yeah, it makes sense. I'm not gonna risk all of it for £100 because it's hit the imbalance, but it will fly now. But I just wanted to secure that profit above. Look at that. It was less than less than 3,000. I've brought the account up to 4.2k now. I'm a beast mode, baby, beast mode.
Bro, can you clean the screen, bro? Because I can't. I don't know why.
Clean the screen.
Yeah, bro, this.
Clean what?
This.
Oh,
I can't clean it, bro.
hold on a second.
I don't know why.
There you go, bro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Yeah, see, you would have hit that TP now, but it's fine. Still more than 1, 2. So how many pips did we secure? 70 pips, right? About 70 pips here, yeah. Another 70 pips. Secured. 70 pips. Secured. Again. Who's doing it like us? Nobody. Trade one taken.
Damn.
Plus
Flying
70
now.
pips. Let's go.
Imagine it goes to the 50% of
Oh, bro,
daily.
it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. But for me, it was just worth it, man. Because the thing is, my TP was just like another £100. It wasn't really worth it, you know, holding
Yeah,
this for another
true.
£100. But again, we got news coming in. I might just risk another 100 to make another 100. So I'm gonna just change my risk on this. But yeah, see, it would have smashed past that TP. This weekend, bro, we'll be good to chat. Yes, sir. You guys need to definitely join us on Zoom, man. Our strategies are crazy over here, bro. Crazy, crazy strategies.
Jesus. Oh. Bro. You muted. You muted.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry guys, I was muted. But guys, so Zoom membership is only for £100 a month. Is only for paid members, but the amount of value we will give to you, and most likely you'll make it all back in like one day. If you even have like £500 or something in your broker, right? So it's for £100 a month. If you message me on Insta, d.aforex, or if you message Nuno on Insta, you can also join our Discord, and we will be accepting some new members this weekend. So if you guys want to start joining us this weekend and start trading alongside us from next week onwards, is a very, very clean week. So we can make a lot of money together. We can give you a risk management plan, scaling plan, everything, right? So if you're really, really serious about this, you want to start doing this, full time, you want to beat the 9 to 5 trap, then hit us up. Hit us up. Everyone that's interested, guys, if you can message Nuno, send them your instas, or so message my teammate Nuno. He will accept everyone into the Zoom membership. We have a private server on Discord. As soon as you join our member, oh my lord, I knew this was gonna happen today again, man. It's that Freaky Friday move. It always happens, bro. It always happens. I knew this was gonna happen again, but I'm not gonna cry about it. Like, on this small account, £400. It was worth it, man. Like £100, it was worth it. I'm not gonna cry about it. But yeah, I knew this was gonna happen, bro. It was gonna go past everything. What a clean scenario once again.
Yeah.
What a clean scenario.
These 4 hour double bottoms and double tops.
Nasty, 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 nasty scenario, bro. Nasty scenario. Honestly, nasty scenario, bro. But yeah, guys, we're here to stay now. Make sure share this stream with everyone. Guys, drop a like as well. We have a 40 like goal. Drop a like. We will be taking another setup. Hopefully with the new 4H open, but not yet. But we have a 40 like goal, guys. We only got 26 likes. What's happening here? Come on, let's drop a like. You guys can see this. We're bringing transparency here, 100% transparency, real professional trading, not gambling. We're bringing a lot of value here for you guys. So drop a like, help us with our like goals on the daily basis. Share the stream with your friends, and yeah, we're gonna keep on smashing it over here. We will stay consistent for you guys. But yeah, I think it's just gonna fly past daily highs now, because it needs to give you that upper wick, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Sustainable upper wick. Yeah, it's gonna be one of those days now. It's just gonna fly and fly and fly. That's the nature of this Friday session, right? 2026.07.
What a good dream.
Yeah, I told you guys it's gonna fly to 2015-ish area as soon as it clears this range, and from 2015-ish area, look at that. See, flew straight to 2015 now, and now that's it. It's gonna do its thing now, and it's gonna chill for a little bit. But yeah, straight away. Yeah, definitely will be joining. I'm already super profitable, but a bit lonely as I trade alone and just need that community of people trading the same way. Yes, sir. A trading community is very important, man. Very important. Very important. It's like the most underrated thing ever. But it really just depends, right? Because you need to have the right sort of community with you. Because if you have like a wrong community with you, then that can really just influence you in a wrong way, right? Another clean day, man. 5-minute trade taken once again. We're like really good at these 5-minute trades, aren't we, bro?
Yeah, bro, because now everyone trades the same way. Probably Cassim feels like kind of lonely, because everyone, he goes to the YouTube, everyone trades the closures and that kind of stuff.
So, hey, I'm in your live right now, and I went in sell at 2.005. Wait, what? She went, what? Did we say sell? 2.005. Here I'm in your cell right now. I went in cell at 2.005. I didn't understand your signal. Is this live a sell or buy? I'm new to your channel. Oh, guys, it was a buy position. We never said sell.
No.
No, 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 no. We never said sell. That's why I think you guys do need to join the private team so we can sort of like really give you everything that you do need. Yeah. No, we never said sell. We were buying gold the whole time. We took a buy position. It was never a sell.
Dang.
Oh, snap. They took a... Oh, snap. Up my account. Oh, snap. Yeah. Are you still, the person that messaged me on Insta, if you're still here, obviously I will not mention your name or anything like that, so you don't need to worry, but we never said sell. Never, ever, ever said sell position. We were looking for a buy position the whole time. This was never a sell position. We never said sell. But yeah, I was really sorry to hear that you blew your account up, but we never said sell. We never said sell. Never took a sell position. Oh, snap. I think maybe because they saw trade one sell, trade two sell, but guys, that's why you need to join the community. Like, don't look at the screen here. This is just like, maybe they just saw on the screen and said like, do you see what I mean?
Yeah. So.
Yeah, no, no, no. We never said so. No. Why did we see a massive pump in the markets? There is an imbalance to the top side. We anticipated it. Yeah, this was gonna happen. That's why we took it. But again, positive R2R taken once again. What was I going to do? Let me just trade the trade one icon.
It's like 100 pips now.
Yeah, crazy play today once again, bro. There you go, guys. It was buys. It was not sells. It was a buy position. It was never sells, yeah. Maybe the person was not listening to me either. But yeah, it was buy position plus 70 pips. Way more than that if you did hold, but came out fair. Had positive R2R. Was no need. Can we buy again if it keeps on pushing? No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. You need to wait for it. You need to wait for a little bit more confirmation. DA would join, but I can only trade 2 days a week max. That's completely fine, bro. That's not a big deal at all. You don't need to trade every single day. That's why I said we can give you a plan, guys. It depends on how many days you can trade. It depends on how much it all depends. You don't need to trade every day. You don't need to take a trade every day. We can give you a plan, right? That's the thing.
You can show him like the risk management sheet.
Exactly.
If it takes like 4 trades in a week, like 2
Exactly.
trades a day,
Exactly.
the return.
Yeah, imagine you're risking like your risk is £500. You want to make like let's say £1,000 a week, right? Your risk is let's say 250 per trade, and you just want to take 4 trades, bro. Like even with the 1-to-1 is like light work. You can do that with 4 trades. You don't need to trade every day. You just need to. That's the thing, guys. It's very calculated. We have a plan in place. There's everything in place. If you join the team, we can make a plan just that's suited for your account. So it's not going to be like a plan, like a general plan. It will be very much suited to your account, your needs, right? So if you do want to hit us up on Insta, I would prefer if you guys hit Nuno up on Insta, since I am a little bit busy sometimes and I can't reply to my DMs all the time. So if you guys are really, really serious, hit up Nuno on Instagram. Nuno, can you post your Insta as well?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now.
Yeah, he's gonna post his Insta in the chat. So hit up Nuno. He will sort you guys up. Yeah. We can give you every single thing that you need to become profitable. And again, it depends if you have like a day or 2 days. It really depends. We can give you a plan that suits you best, right? I'm not going to give you a plan that I'm using personally, right? So it's going to be a plan based on your account size, everything, right? Just depends. But what a nasty week we had, bro. Such a sick week, man. Just
Yeah,
killed the
man.
markets, man. Destroyed the markets, milked them in front of everyone on the live streams. They've been sleeping on us, man. We had to bring it back to the YouTube space. We had to. We had to. We had to. We had to.
Bro, it sounds crazy because that was 100% win rate, you know.
Yeah.
But that's true, man.
100% win rate.
That's recording,
Yeah,
regardless. So,
everything's recorded. Because if I was to say I done this on the YouTube live, they'll probably say, "Oh man, why are you lying for, bro? You can't do that, bro. You can't do this." I was like, "Cool, let me come on the live stream and I'll do it in front of all of you guys on the live account." But yeah, still on your live. Thanks for bringing it up. I thought it's a sell because of the screen. Oh, that's the thing. You gotta understand, right? You gotta listen to what we are saying because on the screen we change it once we take a position, right? Since like the screen won't change every single day. Like now tomorrow when I start the stream, it will say trade one buy, trade two sell. So this is not like we're not this is not a signal. This is not a single signal, by the way. The trade one, trade two is not a signal. If you want to trade alongside us and you do want those like calls, then you have to join our private team. But this is not a signal. There's just like a trade, it just says trade one, trade two, just to show you guys what we have taken. If we have taken a trade or if we have not taken a trade, but yeah. But damn, bro, like crazy week, bro. Crazy week. Crazy week. Averaged out 400-500 pounds on this small account every single day. Oh, that was crazy.
I think less.
Small lot sizes, small accounts, big trades, minimum drawdowns, real way of trading. You can really come join us and escape the 9 to 5 trap. Because again, guys, like, we're not here to brag, but this is how much someone will make in a week. And this is just one of my small accounts. And I've got other accounts linked with Copy Trader. So you can see how much money there is in this business. But at the same time, I've been doing it for years to get to this stage, right? But you guys are lucky enough to have, someone like me and other people who are in this game and they're doing it for a living and you can join them, right?
We look for the next trade after news 3 p.m. At this time, did you hit your target for the day?
Me?
No. I'm talking to information on the chat, Halfway there. Yeah, bro, what you can do if you are in profits for the week, you can risk the profits that you made earlier to hit your target, If you're in profits, but not your weekly profits, you might like risk half what you win, to make like 1 to 2 trade. And in the way, if you lose, you're gonna like lose half of that you made today. If you win, like you beat your target for the day, you know?
Yeah. Let's do the $1 million bet. Yeah, that's gonna be in another hour, man. We got news coming in another hour. You guys lost the bet yesterday, man. You don't have £1 million to risk anymore. What are you guys
Bro,
talking about? You guys made the bet and you lost it yesterday. But yeah, we
bro,
got news coming in another hour at 3 o'clock. That's
I
when
need,
you should see some more volatility.
I need to know, bro, how I can do that. Like that stuff that we post on chat and people can vote. How I can
Oh,
make this.
okay, okay. Yeah,
I don't
because you're a
know.
moderator, bro. You should be able to do everything, every
Mm,
single thing.
I think just you can do that, I think.
No, you should be able to. You're a moderator. You have access to everything. You have like the highest access that you can get as a moderator, so you should be able to as well. Pretty sure. but I could be wrong. But yeah, look at the way the daily flipped, right? Clean daily flip, man. Clean daily flip. Now I'm looking for the next 4H. See what the next 4H does. Maybe another small trade, and that's it.
It's-
Let's see what NYSE does next, guys. But yeah, team, tell us, uh, what's the update? What are you guys? Are you guys still holding? Man, just went past everything, didn't it? Crazy. How big was this
What
pump? Damn,
one
100
to
pips.
almost 1 to 4, man.
1 to 4 R2R, 100 pips. Insane trade. Did you guys hold this? I have a feeling we will go back to 2042. Guys, it's not about a feeling. Trading is not about a feeling,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
it's about anticipating certain stuff, but you need confirmations. It's not about a feeling. It doesn't work like that because if you have a feeling, then you are building up a bias. This is the new 4H now, so let's see what they do. Because when you have a feeling, you're saying my bias is that gold will go to this area or that area, and then that's just going to be something you'll be stuck with. So I don't recommend having this approach of feelings. Bro, it might be a pullback now, so might see a clean sell position setting up. Same scenario, massive 4H candle, 4H 50% all the way down there. Took that move up, clean play. And now I think they might give you that sort of drop down again. Because we've seen this happen many times, right? 4H opening and just destroying any structure to the downside.
The 15 minutes.
Because the job of the previous candle is done now, and so now this candle needs to give you that next pump or dump, right? So you need like some confirmation on this. But yeah, I might take another small position just to make it £500 on this account. Risk some of the profits to make more. But let's see what happens. Because it has that potential room to the top. So the minute it starts to break above, it should be a clean play in the markets. So let me just quickly change some risk on this account now. Where is it? Yeah, it should be here. Let's change some risk here. I'm gonna look for another trade for sure. What a clean week, man. Honestly, what a clean week.
Hello, my bro. Paulo, how are you? Always missing, man.
He's in and out. He's in and out. Paul is
Bro,
always in and out.
is late. Always late, man.
What's happening, my brother? You good? Okay, there we go. You guys can speak to each other in Portuguese, can't you? Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, just don't be talking about me, okay?
Okay, bro. Oh,
But yeah, today I'm a little bit tired, guys. I didn't get enough sleep last night, you know. For me, I need to get sleep if you want me to be energetic. I've tried the 3 shots, but I think the 3 shots were just good enough for me to take a trade. But we're going to wait here. I'll be right back in 5 minutes. Nuno, could you take over for the 5 minutes I'm gone?
yeah, 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 for sure. Oh, you work at night, man. But you always can trade the NYSE, you know. It's a good session too, bro. Yeah, majority of the trades sometimes are on the NYSE, you know. Yeah, bro, what size would you suggest? Bro, Vivian, it's not about the lot size, you know. You need to see how much you want to risk per trade or per day. If you want to risk 2%, you need to, yeah, if you're using you need to diversify your risk, like two, two positions, 1% each, you know. About the lots, bro, that's not a fixed lot size, you know. You need to calculate that if you use magic keys, it's gonna be easy for your life, you know. But yeah, if you do it manual, you need to be a little more fast. If you guys want, I can send the link for the magic keys, the online version here on chat. Do you guys want it? There is no affiliation with the magic keys, just a very, very good tool that we can use, you know, to calculate our lot size even faster, you know. If you guys want, I can send the link here on the chat for you guys take a look, you know. Yeah, yeah, bro, because London, Asia, like the market open, you know, and moves Asia, London. When we came to NY and NYC, we're gonna have like much time of market, you know, more information that we can use, everything, you know. I always prefer the NY and NYSE session too. Now we just wait. But yeah, bro, Paulo, you missed the trade, man, today. Like 1 to 2 trade. Do you guys want the link for the magic keys? Because me and EA, we use magic keys, you know. It's a very, very helpful tool to trading, you know. Bro, imagine one time you need to enter 2 trades, you know. You don't gonna have time to calculate, you know, because one trade can have 20 pips stop loss, another trade can have 40 pips stop loss or 50 pips stop loss or 10 pip, you know, and the
Yeah, this thing is just
counts,
flying, man, as anticipated. I told you it's gonna be a
yeah.
Freaky Friday move. It happens all the time on Fridays. Freaky Friday. Freaky Friday.
Yeah, bro, I'm telling the guys about the magic keys, you know,
Yeah.
no affiliation. I just sent the link to the group for they take a look on that, you know.
Yeah, but make sure you guys have a plan that we provide with Magic Keys. Otherwise, Magic Keys is very dangerous. So only use Magic Keys if you have a plan with it. So everything, guys, you need a plan with it. So
Yeah,
don't look for any shortcuts. If you
I
want to
was
use
telling
Magic Keys, make sure you have a
these two,
plan with it.
yeah,
Yeah.
I was telling these two, like, if they want to use it, they need to use like 1, 2% per trade or per day, you know.
No, not even, bro. Like you can't tell them what to do because it depends on the plan
Yeah,
as
yeah,
well.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
It depends
So
exactly.
so so whatever plan you guys have, that's what you need to use, right? So it could be 1%, 2%, 20, 30, 40. It depends on your plan. So what you need to do is you need to normalize doing what suits you best. Does that make sense, guys? So don't listen to the normal advice that the big traders give you, right? Because they don't do that themselves. Because trading is a game of numbers, right? You need to have a plan to grow our account, and every account requires a different plan. So whatever your plan is, you just input the settings on Magic Keys and just make it systematic. That's all
Yeah.
Magic Keys is there for, right?
I was talking about me, what I use, you know.
Exactly how Nuno's got a plan. I got a plan. For me, I don't risk 1 to 2% on this account. I'm risking probably like, I don't even know. The account was on 2000 something. I've taken it to like 4K now, 4.3K in front of you guys. So I'm risking some crazy amount on this, right? Not crazy, but like, you guys get what I mean, right? So it just depends. It just depends. Everyone's got a plan. So you need a plan and then just follow that plan. All you need magic keys is for is to make it systematic. Not 1 to 2%, is just to make it systematic. It could be 5%, 6%, 7%. It depends on the leverage as well. You need like high leverage. There's many things it depends on, right?
Yeah, bro. Even the stop loss, like I think the guy was asking me like for a fixed lot size,
Mm-mm. Have you
and
ever tried it, bro?
I say to him like,
Yeah.
there's no fixed lot size. That's not
Exactly.
good because
Exactly.
stop loss like can be more, can be less.
Exactly, exactly. No, no, no. You never want to use fixed lot size, guys. I think it's because you have those bad habits. Because you're looking at other streamers. You know they're dropping like 30 lots every single stream, but it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Trust me, it doesn't work like that. You can't have a fixed lot size. You need to honestly have a plan in place. Emphasis on having a plan in place. And then, guys, without trading without a plan is like gambling because you don't know where you are going, right? But when you have a plan in place, then you know the outcomes. You know how much you're making every day or every week or every month, and so what you can do next month. So there's got to be like is a game of probabilities. As long as you have a plan in place, you'll be good. If you don't have a plan in place, you don't know what you're doing. You're just blindly trading, right? You will blow your account up in 1 day. Risk management is very important, very, very important. So if you guys are really serious about trading, rather than just trying to sort of like flip your accounts, invest into yourself. First, understand the fundamentals you need to make money. Like if it was that simple to make money from this business, everyone do it. Everyone would do it. Trust me when I say that, because you can make shit ton of money from this business. So invest in yourself first, understand the fundamentals that you need to make money from this business. Once you understand it, you have everything there, that's when you start making some money, right? It's not as simple as just taking trades, because you could take a trade with me, but if you're not doing it the right way, maybe my stop loss is 30 pips and it's like 2% risk on it. If you're not calculating your lot size, it might be, your whole account gets blown up if one trade goes against you. So there's many things you need to work on, right? That's the thing. Stay hydrated. Sponsored by Tesco Water again. They need to actually sponsor me at this point, bro. But yeah, man, clean Freaky Friday move as anticipated. They're giving you a breakout above daily highs. So next leg down is what I'm sort of anticipating once it starts to exhaust. I'll give it a go. I'm looking for one more trade if it shows up to end the Friday, but another clean play in the markets. What a nice clean 100% win rate session, right? Once again, 100% win rate this whole week, guys. This whole week. What about you,
Great.
Nuno? Did you secure your 1-to-1 on it, or did you hold?
I not exactly the 1-to-1. I secure about 700.
Okay, okay. You gotta let your trades play out, though. Because
Yeah,
you gotta let them play out. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. As long as you've had a profitable day,
because
that's completely fine.
it's kind of tapping the 4 hour 50%. I see some kind of rejections, and my buffer was not the best, and I decide to close
Exactly.
it.
That's the best thing to do. Yeah, yeah, 100%.
'Cause, yeah, we don't know what the market's gonna do. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What I done was very good. Put my
yeah, yeah, for sure.
TP, trail my TP at 1-to-1, and then I should have just let it run. But you know what it is? I was like, you know what? I've had like a crazy buffer. I'm fluctuating at 1 to 2 R2R on this anyway. Let's just take it out. That's it. Make some profits on Friday as well, and then from there we'll just like see if I want to take any other trade. At least this way I know I've secured my profit target for the day and I'm up for the week, whatever my target was. I'm like, cool, I'll come back the next week and I'll do it again. This way, guess what? I've got like Very good. See, now I'm in such a good psychological state, guys. Very good psychological state, right? Because I've had nothing but wins this whole week, and like minimum drawdown trades. We've traded everything. It's not like we've just traded, normal price action. We've traded news. We've traded whatever you can imagine, right? So we're ready for anything. Ready for anything. And I'll be looking for another setup maybe with NYSE. But guys, drop a like. We've only got 28 likes. We have a 40 likes goal. So let's hit the like goal. We have a 40 like goal. Let's hit 40 likes. Let's spam those likes.
41, 42, I think.
Yeah, 40 plus likes. We can do that. But at this point, honestly, it's the NYSE that gives you the next leg down. I'm sort of just waiting for the NYSE because they've taken out the intraday liquidity at this point, haven't they? They have. And the next scenario that shows up is going to be that double top scenario in the 4H double top with the daily rejection scenario. Daily highs fake out scenario. If we can get this daily highs fake out scenario, pair this with a double top scenario, that would be a clean confluence that is going to give you the 4H 50% retest. So these are the three things I'm looking for: 4H double top and 4H 50% retest. And then I think from there they will bounce the price back up, so it'll be like a pullback sort of thing on the 4H, right? So if these three confluences are there for me, yeah, makes sense. So it is rejecting that PD high now, the daily high now, and then sort of got the 4H highs up here. So the minute we can see like a close back below this, we should be able to take our trade back down to the 50% level.
Yeah, two things can happen, but they can pump the price to like, to go to the daily 50%.
Yes.
Or they can drop the price and then
take it back up, exactly. Because right now it will be a pullback. It will be a clean pullback. Anything is a clean pullback. The way this candle is closed, anything will be a clean pullback. And if it's a Freaky Friday, they might not even give you a pullback now, to be fair, until they give you that 50% retest on the intraday. But again, it makes more sense for them to take the price down with NYSE, collect orders, and then just push it up for the rest of the day. But this would be your 4H 50% level, 2008.25. So what we need is, we need a close below the current 4H 50%. Yep, close back below this area here. Do we have any? Yeah, I need like a resistance kind of forming here. So looking to the left, we got a little resistance here. So this is the resistance above, and then from here, we got another resistance up here. I want to investigate this area, clean resistance area here. Below this, below this, below this, below this, below this. Yeah, see, makes sense. Close back below this, and then the next one breaks below. Yeah, makes clean sense. Yeah.
Yeah, bro, I think for the $1 million bet, needs to be you.
Me?
Yeah,
$1 million bet. Let's see
yeah,
how
bro.
price action is. I'll give you guys my answer 5 minutes before. Not yet. Not yet. I'll
I
give you my
think
answer 5 minutes before.
on the chat you have a thing to questioning like people, you know.
Yeah, but I think on my OBS it says sign in to chat, so I'm not really signed in. I don't want to touch anything, just in case,
Okay, okay.
it turns the stream off. But yeah,
Yeah, later we see that.
yeah. Some messages, live chat. There you go. Yeah, I think it says sign in. So, but yeah, essentially, if you get like a close back below this, then you can expect that sort of drop. Until then, super bullish on gold, up to your next key area. But if you can get like a nice clean candle closing below this and then one candle breaking below, should be able to see a drop down to the P4H 50% level at that point. So this candle now needs to give us a close below this area. So let's see. But how's everyone doing, guys? Super tired today, man. Super tired. I didn't have enough sleep. Honestly, when I don't get enough sleep, I'm just like so lethargic and tired. Because I'm so used to getting like 8 hours of sleep, 8 hours of sleep minimum because of gym and like bodybuilding. But today I just couldn't. I just woke up very early, and once I wake up, I just can't sleep. It's crazy. I can't fall back to sleep as soon as I wake up. It happens, but it's fine. It's fine. Did we get any other streamers? Let's see if any other streamers have taken any trades. We have Donvo, right? Let's see if he's taken anything. Oh, there we go. Let's see what they have taken today on Friday. They took a very, very big loss of 21,000. They recovered not even 50% of it yesterday. Let's see if they have recovered the rest of it today. Let's see what they have done. Maybe they might have not taken a trade, to be honest, because he doesn't take trades till later, I think. Let's see what they've done. Oh, they are in a... Oh! Oh!
That's a nice bottom wick. Yeah. If fitting a flip, that'd be great.
6K down. Damn, is he really buying gold that high? This is plain and simple FOMO. Holy
yeah, if the 30-minute closes
snap.
like bearish chat below, if it closes bearish overall, we may look to manage risk.
Holy
You have about 8 minutes
snap.
left. If you close bearish below, I'll say, what I can open this tab. If the 30-minute closes bearish here, right, and it closes bearish below 2014, then we'll look to manage risk. So this thing closes like this, right? Then at that point, we'll look to manage risk because now it's closing below 2014. And as it closes below 2014, any given point, what can happen next is you can just drive back down, right? To retest lows. And that might be a steeper bottom wick for the 4. So I would preferably wait for that
Not that high.
counter close for manage risk. As long as it closes above 2014, though, you should be fine. Anywhere above that. That's what we said earlier, right?
Oh snap, he's not showing his MetaTrader 5 anymore. Oh, there we go, it's back. I actually want to see this. Holy crap. Bro, for his sake, hopefully gold goes up. Because, damn, that's just dangerous, man, whatever this guy is
Don't even
doing.
believe in me. There's nothing to believe in. This is another day in the markets. Take the same trades again.
Hopefully gold pumps up, man. Hopefully. I'll pray for this guy. That's crazy, bro. Holy. How can he buy gold so high, man? Gold's done its move to the top side. The buys were all the way from down there where we took it from. Why are these guys buying it so high? What the hell? We bought gold all the way down there. Holy crap. He's down 6.6k drawdown. 6.6k drawdown at the moment.
18k, 2% of the account. Take the same trade again next time we see it. This is like everything is already sample here and done.
Okay, so if he's gonna take 2 losses this week, hopefully I pray to God he doesn't take this loss, because I don't like to see other people losing. But
Yeah.
if he takes another loss today, then he's down 42 grand almost. Damn, that's crazy, man. That's crazy.
That's being here.
Hopefully it flips and it goes up. It can still pump up. That's the thing. It does have that. But it's just his entry's not nice, man. It's too high, bro. Way too high. That entry is just scary. It is turning into like that breather candle now, though. And so hopefully break of this. This is where your entry makes sense if the next one breaks the highest. Since this one's giving you a retest, turning into like a breather candle, next one pumps. But taking that entry up there on such an impulsive move past daily highs, what kind of trading is this? That's scary stuff, man. Hopefully it goes his way, bro.
Yeah,
But that's
bro.
scary trading, bro.
Not because of him, bro, but because of the people that are copying, you know.
Because he's made his money from the courses and the signals, bro. But the poor people that are copying him with like small $500 accounts or smaller, opening up these consistent lots that he shows, 1 lot, 2 lot. Bro, these guys are going to blow their accounts up. Holy snap. But hopefully gold pumps up for the sake of the people that are watching him. Damn. That's crazy, man. That's crazy, bro. That's a crazy trade. But yeah, its closing is a breather candle, so hopefully in the next 4 minutes it should be able to give you that wick fill scenario if it doesn't close bearish. Because if it does close bearish, the next one needs to break above. Because if the next one breaks below, man, it's going to start to give you that scenario we're waiting for, right? Scary trade. Very scary trade. If someone was to take a buy position here, I would say you don't know what you're doing. It's very simple. This is plain and simple FOMO. That's all it is. Plain and simple FOMO. If you take a buy position here.
You have so many stuff.
That's the thing, right? If these guys are doing it on the live stream and they're teaching these bad habits to the other people, bro. It's just not ethical, man. It's just not ethical whatsoever. Because they're not actual traders themselves. Like, because they have a lot of money, they can show up on the, live channel. People will always follow them. That's just how the game goes, right? If you got a trader that's showing the flashy cars, the flashy watches, the lifestyle, the big trading accounts, but people will never question, have they made that money from the actual trading side of it, or was it made from like something else? Man, it's getting cold in this room. I need to go to the reception and complain. They've turned up the AC way too much because yesterday it was hot here. Maybe he late entry the bias, I guess. That was scary entry, bro. Hopefully with NYSE, it pumps up. Because it has a lot of room to the top side. It can pump up with NYSE. Hopefully. For the sake of people that are watching him, hopefully. Because that's a massive stop loss, man. Massive stop loss.
Normally on the NYSE.
And big stop loss is getting hit like that. In 2 big stop losses getting hit like that in a week. Scary, man. Scary. But there is a lot of momentum to the top side, so it can pump up, but it doesn't mean it's a good trade, even if it does pump up, because this is straight up gamble. Your stop losses are all the way down there, and you're going to secure 5-10 pips here. It doesn't make sense. It's FOMO, it's gamble. It's just not systematic, man. Because at that point, you're just trading candles. You're not trading the actual price action. It doesn't make sense. I am looking for another trade myself, hopefully with NYSE, but we're staying out of this for now. Closing is a rejection candle.
My blood pressure gonna be in high levels, bro. If I was on this trade, man. Jeez.
What did you say, bro? I think Mike
My
was.
blood pressure, bro, will be on
No,
high
bro.
levels, bro. If
No, bro. Especially with NYSE now, because NYSE can just break the lows here, bro.
yeah, man.
Because NYSE gives you a break below this. If it breaks above, then you have a breather candle. But if it breaks below now, bro, oof.
Pushed like almost 200 pips.
Yeah, oof. Damn. This was the trade we were waiting for. You know, the sell position from here now. Damn. Look at the NYSE, bro. Hopefully, they've taken some risk off. Okay, NYSE is flipping bullish. Man, he needs to come out of it as soon as it breaks the highs. Because he will get lucky now with NYSE, but he needs to come out of it, honestly. Oof. The minute NYSE breaks the lows, bro, it's going to start dropping. Scary position. Oof. Scary position. This position is giving me anxiety, bro, with that big stop loss on 30 lots. There we go. NYSE is giving them a pump. There it is. Another profitable session. There we go. Pump. Okay, hopefully no blown up accounts today, man. Oh, it's still not coming out. Come out, bro. Okay, there we go. Oh, bro, it's the retest with NYSE. It's dangerous. It's breaking that breather candle, but it's still retesting the highs of the previous candle. It's dangerous, man. Because it could still give you the nastiest rejection from up here now. But you should be able to get that wick fill break, and I think he'll make it risk-free as soon as it gives you that. Yeah, see? He'll make it risk-free as soon as it gives him that wick fill break. Let's go.
Let's fucking go.
Finally, the drawdown has come to an end. www seller replay. Oh Lord. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. It's always good to study other people, just see what they're doing, so you can do the opposite, you know? Let's go. He done it. He done it, guys. He done it. He's up 2 pips. He's up 2-3 pips. He's done it. Just look at his face. Oh Lord.
He was so happy, bro.
There we go. Oh, it's still rejecting. Damn. He's thinking, why is it rejecting? Why is it rejecting now? Oh, bro, hopefully for the sake of the other people, he can at least say make it risk-free now, man. Oh, man, he needs to tell his people to make it risk-free now at least. Because if it rejects, it can still drop. So hopefully, for the sake of his people, you can tap that area. He needs to tell his people to make it risk-free, man. There's no way he should let his people go into drawdown again. No way, bro. He shouldn't do that. That's not fair. They're going to blow their accounts up. You got news coming up as well in the next half an hour.
Yeah, those news can start to get pricing.
Yeah, but I think he will take something off now if it starts to break the lows. But he should be able to at least give them that wick fill so at least his people can make it risk-free, bro. Hopefully. Come on, gold, push up for their sake.
He's pushing up.
There we go. His people can make it risk-free now? Or not yet? Just tell your people to make it risk-free, man. It's giving me anxiety at this point. This is a dangerous area to hold, man, with NYSE. Super dangerous. Can give you the nastiest rejection, bro. Because it's not the first 5 minutes yet, is it? Okay, the next one breaks the highest, then he should be good. Now I should give you that. Ooh, but the next 5 minute candle can give you a clean sell-off now, bro. It can cause the cleanest fake out. Yeah. This can now go zoop straight downtown. Respecting the highest. Yeah, he needs to tell his people to make a risk-free now, bro. Hopefully, for the sake of his people, it pumps up now from up here. Hopefully.
Just a bit more, bro.
Just a bit more, come on. So his people can make a risk-free. Oh, man. Bro, I can't wait to see this channel blow up. Bro, we're coming for the top spot. I'm telling you. We're here to stay. I'm going to help everyone, man. So people can stop following this way of trading because they're going to blow their accounts up. Because NYSE, this is what NYSE does. First play is just to grab orders. Next one's going to break the lows now and give you a clean drop. So hopefully he tells his people to make it risk-free, man. I'm praying for it. I'm praying for it. Because he needs to really tell them this scenario is setting up now. That if the next one now starts to drop aggressively and it doesn't give you like, because this should not give you any more pullback. You should just flip bullish and break the highs up here if it wants to pump up. Otherwise, what it's doing is it's just faking everyone out now. This is just a clean fake and I'm going to take the price down again. You deserve way more views, martial art. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. We've just started, man. It's the first week in. We're going to kill it, bro.
Yeah, bro. First week.
This is our first week in, bro. This is the first week in. It's our first week in. Give us at least like a month or two. The thing is, right, people don't know that we exist at the moment. The minute they do, everyone's going to be here, man. No one wants to hold these massive stop losses. Everyone wants to be in and out, you know, have positive R to us. So obviously everyone would want to watch us. It's just that we need to be put out there, right? But hopefully for the sake of his people, it can break the highs and pump. Because NYSE is a dodgy play, man. Especially with the first 5 minutes, never take a trade. Never take a trade in the first 5 minutes. Never. But yeah, I think it could give them a pump now, hopefully. Okay, there you go. It's pumping now, pumping. Oh. Okay, these are the highs. Yeah, it has that volatility to the top side now. Man, I feel like we need to do like a rescue trade for all of his people after this if it was against them. Damn. Hopefully they made it risk-free or they came out. Yeah, they came out. They came out. Okay, smart guy. He done the right thing. Smart guy. He done the right thing. Smart guy. He done the right thing. Okay, at least his people are not going to blow their accounts up today. Good. I don't know what this guy is doing, man. Buying gold this high. Come on. Look how much your whole daily's moved. And your news coming up just like literally in the next 22 minutes. That was the silliest position someone can take with a 30 lot and like... How big was his stop loss? Yeah, look at that. See, clean fake out, man. It's so good he came out, man. I would be in 50 pip profit when I close Mr. 90 pips. SL is getting ready to end. I nearly smashed my... Bro, that was scary, man. That was scary. That was scary position. That gave me anxiety, I'll be honest with you. Oof, at least he told his people to come out, man, so that's good. That's good. And I still see W's in his chat. Man, they need to stop encouraging this bad behavior, man. They're gonna turn everyone... This is straight up gambling, man. This is not trading. That's the thing. I feel like there should be something, right? Because this is at the end of the day, right? Because he's giving us signals as well, and like, there should be something there, right? Like, it shouldn't be allowed for someone to just come onto a platform and have such a big platform and so much influence and they don't know what they're doing. Because, bro, like, making money is very hard for all of these people. And so, like, I don't know, man. For me personally, I would never tell you guys to do something that I would not do myself. But that was scary trade. Gave me anxiety, honestly. But guys, we got news coming in. I want to see what the news does. One more setup. If it shows up, I'll be a big fan of it with news. So this guy was in like 8K drawdown, wasn't he?
Yeah, bro.
Crazy,
Around
man. Crazy, bro. So guys, was anyone here watching them before this? How or were you guys like just doing your own trading? Were you watching someone else? And what do you guys think about our streams? Are you guys liking them? If you have any tips for us, give it to us, because I wanna really turn this into something where like everyone just like benefits from it. So if you guys have any tips, feel free to tell us. Like, we don't mind at all. Trust me, we actually appreciate any feedback that you give us. We're not the ones to like mind anything. Trust me. We really appreciate if you give us feedback, because we want you guys, the viewers, to have the best experience, right? And again, we're very new to this. This is just our first week back, so you know. Bro, how many pips have we caught this whole week now? From like Tuesday onwards, because Monday was just dead. We didn't do anything on Monday. How many pips have we actually caught now from like Tuesday onwards?
It's nice Tuesday.
Yeah.
Oh, bro. Let me see on the spreadsheet. Our trades, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Tuesday 9.
Man, if anyone is still looking for buyers up here, is dangerous, bro. Especially in the next like news is coming up as well. It's dangerous play, man. Very dangerous
30.
play.
30 plus. Today we catch 17, right?
Okay.
It was 17 today, right? Let me see.
70, yeah, 70.
70.
7-0. I was watching Donvo until someone in his chat mentions you. Guys, you need to go and mention me in his chat. All of us should do it. Come on. We need to save these blown accounts. So if you care about blown accounts, go and mention and spam spam his stream.
This week 234
But trust me, you'll get
pips.
Ben. 200 and how many pips?
234.
Damn. Damn, son. Crazy. But guys, everyone should go spam his chat, man. Tell them about DA Forex live stream. Any spams it? Oh, that would be so funny if I see you guys spamming it here. Hey, listen, he done the same thing with Roger, you know? He done the same thing with Roger. He used to like have beef with Roger, and then everyone that was watching Roger started watching him because Roger came out of the game. But he basically done the same thing with Roger. But at least Roger knew what he was doing, right? But this guy, scary play, man. Scary play.
Yeah, bro, because... Yeah, say.
Yeah, no, go on. What were you going to say?
Yeah, because Raja uses fixed lot size, you know?
Oh, he does the same thing.
Yeah,
okay.
he does it. But when the trade goes past the money that you want to risk, you know? Like, imagine you want to risk 10 pips per day. If the stop loss was like 20, 30, they will not risk it, or he gonna reduce the lot size to half, you know? You know, that's different. That's not always the same lot size.
And bro, let's see what the news is. If the numbers are positive, we should be able to get that scenario in, the scenario that we're waiting for now. Let's see what the numbers are like. Well, yeah, double retest over here now. Still respecting the same range. But guys, drop a like. We have a like goal today, which is 40 plus likes. So let's do this. And we've got so much more stuff coming up. On the weekends, we will most likely be doing some educational webinars on our Discord as well. So make sure you guys are in our Discord. We got so many things coming up, guys. Honestly, so much. Spamming complete. I want to actually see this, bro. I want to see this. Wait. Where's the spam? Did you spam up there? What did you spam? No, I don't see it yet. Maybe it's too late. But they would block you, by the way. Let me just tell you guys, if you do spam his stream, He will block you
Yeah.
from the chat. So
Block you
only
temporarily. So
yeah. So yeah, I'm just letting you guys know. People not so much trade on Friday because markets will close. No, man, it's all just like these marketing Insta gurus. I'm just made up so many scenarios. There's nothing like that, bro. If the markets are going to close, markets are going to go somewhere, right? It needs to close somewhere, so we can still take a trade wherever the markets are headed. But these Insta gurus have just made up so many silly scenarios. Like Mondays are where the markets are closing, so we don't take trades. Mondays are where the markets are opening, so we don't take trades. So when are you taking trades? Tuesdays are when the markets have given you one confirmation, so we don't take trades. And then Wednesdays when we blow our accounts up, and then we restart the next week. It doesn't
yeah,
work
bro.
like that. It doesn't
Even
work like that.
after 5, bro, it's still good, but
Yeah.
you have to have in mind that the volume not going to be the best, but
Exactly. The thing is, right, you can take a trade any time during the NY and London overlap, right? So we have till like 5 p.m. UK time, and then after that is when you start to get some more choppy price action. But what you need to also understand is that every session requires a different confirmation, different stop loss. So this is where now you need to have that experience. For me personally, I can take trades till like 5 o'clock, but I know the minute it starts to approach the end of the session, it will become a little bit more choppy. Isn't it haram to trade with leverage? No, no, no. As long as you don't pay swap fees, it's not haram. Swap fees you only pay if you hold overnight. Otherwise, it's not haram. No.
never think about it, man.
Because what you're doing is on swap fees you're paying interest, right? So you can't pay interest. Interest is haram in Islam, but interest has nothing to do with leverage. It has nothing to do with leverage. The only time you're paying interest is if you're holding swap. You're paying that swap fees. But you have Islamic accounts. Why would you have Islamic accounts? Look, IC Markets Islamic account. Look at this. They have Islamic accounts because on these Islamic accounts you don't pay what's it called, swap fees. You see this Islamic accounts. Trading has nothing. Trading is not haram. Look at that, a raw pricing trading account where no interest fees will be credited or debited. So as long as you don't pay interest, interest is haram. Trading's got nothing to do. Look, Islamic accounts, you still have the same leverage, still have the low pips, as low as 0 pips, no additional cost in place of swaps. So as long as you don't hold your trades over the weekend or overnight when the markets close, you don't pay interest. Swaps is what's haram because swaps is basically interest, right? You're paying interest to the broker. Other than that, there's no issue with trading, no problem whatsoever. It's not haram, no. That's for obviously Muslims, right? It doesn't apply to everyone else, but yeah, it's not haram, no. Otherwise, I would not be doing this.
Never think about that perspective, bro.
Oh yeah, thanks a lot, bro. May Allah bless you. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Same for you. Same for you. Okay, guys, I'm off. See you all next week. Enjoy your weekend. You too. Take care, take care, take care. We're just waiting for news now. Another 12 minutes left. I want to see what they do with news. Might be something fun we get with news. Nuno, take over for a second. I'll be back in like 2 minutes, guys. We're waiting for news. Let's see if with news we can get another trade to end Friday with like a big push to the downside. But yeah, we still got to wait for another like 12 minutes. I'll be right back, okay? You know, you take over.
Okay, my bro. Okay. See you, bro. Piri. See you on Monday. Yeah. You guys have some questions, everything that you want, you can ask, relation to trading, Yeah. Feel free, guys. Okay, let's see. 10 minutes left for the news. What you guys thinking? $1 million bet, buy or sell? Buy or sell, buy or sell. Okay, hi. I'm gonna post the link here on chat. Okay, that's the link. We see the news there. Yeah. Yeah, guys, what do you think about the news? $1 million bet? Buy or sell, buy or sell, buy or sell. Type in the chat what you think, guys. Yeah, bro. Paul, I was looking that too. Can pump to the 50% and then big dump, pump and dump. But yeah, we can predict nothing. We need to see how it reacts and then we took the decisions. Yeah, it made sense for them to have a better price to sell. No, 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 no. We don't use it, bro. It's just a thing that we have all together, like $1 million bet, buy or sell. And we're gonna see if the people are right or wrong. We don't use buy stops and sell stops, man. That's dangerous, bro. Because of the slippage, man. Can hit your account alive, man. No, 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 no. It's just a thing, like a thing between the chat. We always does this. When we have news, we always talk on the chat, like to discuss, like buy or sell and $1 million bet. That's the thing with the news. But we don't trade news. Like buy stops and sell stops. We don't trade it.
Hashtag their entries are our take profits. Hashtag their entries are our take profits.
Yeah, slippage is crazy. Yeah, bro, on the news.
You guys don't do buy sell stops? Never, bro, never. That's straight up gambling. Straight up gambling. Unless you have some sort of like data. Even if you have like Bloomberg terminal, it's not really worth it because you're really just getting it. Like, yeah, it's very instant. Like, you're getting it right away compared to like all the other terminals. So it's not really worth it. As a retail trader, you need confirmation before you take a news trade, because again, we're playing best of confirmations, right? You need to align the fundamentals with the technicals. Once you have a high probability trade, that's when you take it. Taking the spike up or down is straight up gambling. Honestly, straight up gambling. Very dangerous. Super dangerous. Okay, 4H. Let's go for margin, gang. Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. You're first. We'll follow your steps.
Who's like their cards today?
Yeah, we should have like hashtag let's all blow our accounts on Friday together. Let's donate to the broker day. The brokers will be so happy with us. They'll definitely sponsor us. That's why these streamers are sponsored by these mad brokers. Oh, these streamers make these brokers so much money, man. It's like it's a broker's dream come true with these streamers, honestly. Every day, donating to the markets, thousands of people. Man, it's crazy, 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 crazy. 6 more minutes left. What are we anticipating, guys? If it's £1 million bet, what are you doing? Are you selling or buying with gold? Are you selling gold or are you buying gold against the USD in the next 6 minutes with the news dropping? If the numbers are positive, most likely it will drop. If the numbers are negative, most likely it will pump up to the daily 50%. So what are you doing? If you had £1 million to bet on this, what are you doing? Let us know in the chat. In the next 6 minutes, do you think gold will drop, or do you think gold will pump with the news kicking in the next 6 minutes? Let us know in the chat. Got the USD news coming up. Is high impact news coming up, so it will move the markets a lot. As you can see, it's a high impact news folder. It will move the markets a lot. Very nice trade taken once again today. Looking forward to taking something again with the news, but let's just see. Okay. 5 more minutes left before news kicks in, and then we will have another hour or two before the markets potentially go dry. So let's see. Let's see what we can do here with the news kicking in. Okay, 4 minutes left before the news kicks in. Let's see what the numbers are like. But again, what are we looking for? If the numbers are negative, most likely a clean breakout above this will give you 2026, which is our sort of intraday range, right, to the top side. If the numbers are positive and we see a break below the lows, then we can anticipate the 4H 50% retest scenario, which is all the way down there. So you've got plenty and plenty of range. To the top side, you've got about 36 to 40 pips. To the downside, you've got about 140 pips. Our trust DA here, I was in his private group before and he didn't miss. Hey, my brother, you good? You good? Yeah, I had to end the sessions for a little bit, man. You know, as I said, like for me, I have to also take a break as well. I'll have like a monk mode where I just push, then I need like a month or two off, just like recoup, just have some fun, relax, and then yeah, back on it again. And the year has just started. This is Q2, right? So we're gonna kill it, man. We're gonna kill it. Q2 is gonna be the best Q2 you guys have ever had because of us now. We're gonna bring it in. And yeah, let's make some real money. So let's actually I really want to teach you guys how to do this consistently. And this is not gambling, real legit trading. Small live accounts. You guys can literally replicate every single thing here, right? Every single thing. Like if I was to show you guys a big account, then you will not be able to relate with me. But at the moment, I know guarantee everyone can replicate what I'm doing here on the streams. Every single person can. And when you want to take it to the next level, you know, we have the private Zoom for you guys as well. And some more stuff is dropping this weekend as well. I'm working on a lot of things, guys. I do want to bring a lot of value to this space. So, but again, you know, step by step, there is no rush. At least we've taken the first step here now. We're here showing you guys some legit trading, so you don't blow your accounts up with all of these other YouTube streamers. You know, you gotta be careful here, man. I'm pretty sure there's some good streamers out there, but the ones I know in this space is a little bit tricky, so we gotta be just a little bit careful here, right? You can still follow them, but if even you can learn the risk management side from us and go follow them, that's completely fine. But as long as we can teach you something, that's all that matters, honestly. And we can teach you a whole complete way of trading. 1 more minute left. So what's the £1 million bet, guys? Is it going up or is it going down with the news? Is gold going to pump or is gold going to dump in the next minute? It's a high impact news event. For us, we will not be touching this for the first 15 minutes after the news drops. We have zero FOMO over here. But in another 30 seconds, we are about to either see a pump or a dump. What are we saying, guys? Is it a pump or is it a dump? If it is a pump, then we are anticipating this level here to be our first area. If we do start to clear this level, then 31 should be also our key level for us. What are we anticipating? Pump or a dump? $1 million bet should be placed. Now we have another 15
For
seconds
me, it's a
left.
pump. For me, it's a pump.
For you, a pump?
Yeah,
Okay.
till the
Okay.
50%.
Okay, 2 of you guys have said pump, 1 has said dump. That means 90%, no, that means 60% to 70% are saying pump. So I'm going to do the opposite. I'm saying dump.
Oh,
It is a dump. I was right. Bro, 90% of retail traders lose money, so I'm doing against what you guys are saying, honestly. I'm gonna,
oh, you don't know, you don't know.
bro, it's dumping. It's dumping.
Yeah.
Let's see. Very high impact. What's the numbers, bro? Is it negative or positive, or is it
Yeah, I'm
mixed?
gonna see.
It might be mixed
Negative.
numbers. Negative numbers.
Negative and
Okay.
normal number.
Okay. Dump, baby. That's what you do. You see a dump. But again, it's just a little liquidity grab. It's just a retest of the key area. The minute it starts to flip, it should be able to give you that Wakefield break. But again, it is starting to violate the 30-minute lows here. And this is where now you can really start to see gold dropping as well. That's why we're not going to touch it. We're going to wait for the first 15 minutes. Next 15 minutes, get a clean position in and end Friday with a bang. Drop a like, guys. We got a like goal today. Let's hit the likes. Like button. It takes 1 second. We got 40 plus likes we are trying to hit today.
Yeah, we are on 34, so
yeah, just 6 more. Let's hit a like. Another 15 minutes. We are taking another trade.
oh,
It should start pumping because it's flipping out. The numbers are negative. So yeah, but the $1 million bet was, is it gonna pump or dump initially when it opens? So me and EKB won the $1 million bet because everyone else's accounts got blown. And now it's pumping, and our take profit has been hit. Joking, but very negative numbers. And yeah, so initially they are giving you that sort of upper wick. Let's just see what happens, what sort of a close we get in the first 15 minutes. Yeah, and this will be a very profitable strategy for me if I can start the polls, see what the 90% of the people are trying to do, and just do the opposite every time. Hey, that's what brokers do. That's what these funding companies do as well. So if I can do the same thing on streams, why not? Makes sense, right? Or joking over here, guys. We are part of the 10% together as a team or a unit. So if the first 15 minutes can give me a close below, next one breaks the lows, should be a clean scenario to the downside, hopefully.
oh, 38 likes. Yeah, almost there.
37 likes, guys. 3 more likes to go before we touch 40 likes, and our target will get hit for the likes. But we need 15 minutes more before we look for any more entries. At the moment, no entries here whatsoever. We hit 39 likes on yesterday's stream, so if we can do 40 likes today,
Yeah,
that would be the target hit. Oh, we've got 39 likes. We just need 1 more like.
yeah,
So,
40.
and
It's
then,
done.
and then, oh, there you go. 40 likes. 40 likes done. Amazing.
Good job, guys.
Good job, guys. Nicely hit. Every single thing done this week. Precision. Perfection, right? Okay. Last sort of like this is basically just an open now. They need to just let the price sink in a little bit, settle down a little bit, and then once they give you a bit of a confirmation below this, it should be a clean drop. The minute we can start to close below this, the 30-minute has given you a clean sort of retest of the lows. It hasn't really violated it because, again, due to the spikiness, I would not consider this a genuine breakout. But that's where the sell stops and buy stops are invalid, because with news, the price action is so spiky, it might break it, trigger you in, and then go the other way, right? So that's why I don't like buy stops and sell stops.
Yeah, liquidity grabs and
I followed Don's trades, but the stops were so massive, and I was already in 25 to 30 pip drawdown. Oh no, we have minimum drawdowns here, bro. Minimum drawdown on this trade. What was our drawdown? Because we waited for the low to form, waited for the break. I think max drawdown was 4 or 5 pips for me, and then I caught 70 pips on it. So If you actually, obviously my stop loss was bigger, but if you have seen a max drawdown of, let's say, let's do 6 pips, right? And 70 pip or TP. And it flew 100 pips, more than 100. This was like 1 to 10 R2R in that sense, right? If you go based off just how big the drawdown was on this trade. So, yeah. And if we can give you these trades on consistent basis, like, there's a lot of money you guys can make with us. This is the real way of trading, right? Because we understand the markets. When you don't understand the markets and you just trade candles, it's very hard to be profitable. Very hard. We understand the markets, the structure, the scenarios, the price action, the behavior, every single thing. And we have a system in place, right? The risk management and the scaling plan. So this is where we came out. I came out at like, I think 2020, 2012, 12 point something. And it's pushed up another 100 pips just from my TP. And I had to close at BE as didn't even reach plus 10 pips. It was already rejecting. Pure G, I think you were here before earlier, were you not, when we started the stream, or did you just come onto our stream now? Maybe you were not here earlier.
I think he's earlier, bro.
Yeah, we thought you were here earlier, bro. Pure G. Or maybe you were not and you just joined us now. But yeah. It's going to be a sell. Yeah, if the confirmation is there, for sure. If the confirmation's there. Because if they give you that, so the thing is, it really depends how they give you a close in the 15 minutes as well, because of the negative numbers, they can sort of take out these orders again and pump the price up. So 30-minute close will be the safest play. He was at Don's he was at Don's stream, saw the 70 pip stop loss, and then came back. See you guys, all of you guys, I see you guys as butterflies. You know, you can fly away if you want to, but you will always fly back to us because we will give you the value. I promise you, because we're here for you.
Yeah, Purgy, now you can see how it made sense. Like you are in the 25 pip, 30 pip drawdown, you know?
Yeah.
So and 10 pips you close the trade.
Yes, sir.
You know, so bro, you can win 3 trades. And if you get one stop loss, gonna be down, you know?
Guys, we've got 39 likes on the stream. Let's drop one more like. Let's get up to 40. I'm just checking the likes now. We've got 39 likes. We need one more like. And then our 40 like target will get hit. Let's do that. And this is where now your 30-minute has started to give you that drop. You got the first 15 minutes initially giving you... Oh yeah, man. This is becoming a clean drop at this point. But I'm going to wait for it to close before anything because of the negative numbers. But at the same time... It's looking clean, but the stop loss as of yet, yeah, gonna wait for the pullback and break on the next candle. Because what you can do is, yeah, I'm gonna stay off it, no formal. I wanna let this close, the 30-minute candle at least. Wait for a pullback and break on the next one. I need a 30-minute close below this, yeah, but it should be a clean drop. But no need to take any impulsive positions anymore. So at least like a 30-minute close below this, like a resistance candle, which I said here earlier, and the next one breaks the lows, I'll be in it to win it. Until then, it's just a retest, right? It can give you that intraday highs because the numbers are negative as well. So you need a higher confirmation. If the numbers were positive, then I would have even taken it on the 5-minute time frame, right? Because I've got that trust on my analysis. But when you are sort of trading against the fundamentals, you do need the technicals to really give you that solid confirmation if you're going against the numbers, right? So this could just be a retest and then they flip the price up. That's the thing.
No formal, bro. We have a big range.
Yeah, exactly.
Big range. 4-hour highs, previous 4-hour highs to 50% was like 80 pips. So
yes, sir. That was such a nice position. 41 likes. There we go. There we go. Fire, fire, fire. Guys, make sure you do follow us on Insta. Make sure you're in our Discord as well. As I said, we're bringing some real life trading to the YouTube space. This is not like big, massive stop losses and 10, 20 pip take profits. This is positive R2R. Means if you risk 1 to 2%, you will make 3 to 4% every trade with us. And you also have a very high win rate alongside of a very positive R2R. So make sure you do follow us on Insta, join our Discord, and yeah, let's kill it. This whole week, guys, we've caught more than 200 pips on the YouTube live streams. This whole week, we've had an insane week, honestly. Every single day was super profitable. We came back this week on the YouTube live stream space and we killed it. 2 trades a day we took. Tuesday we took 2 trades. Monday was dead. We didn't really take anything. Tuesday we took 2 trades. Wednesday we took 2 trades. Thursday we took a trade yesterday. Again a trade today. Like, it's been 100% win rate with multiple trades, positive R2Rs. Insane, right?
I think there's one day that we gave out like a paper trade, I think.
Yeah.
You remember?
Yeah. We gave out so many trades.
Yesterday, I think.
Yeah. I mean, I'm just talking about personally that trades I took myself as well. But if you talk about like the amount of trades we gave out, man, that was insane. Milked the markets. Don 200 pips, but SER you had 1,000 pips stop loss. 200 pips wins and 1,000 pips stop losses. A sick strategy, right?
Yeah, bro, made sense.
It makes sense, bro. It makes sense. Because eventually you will catch 100 pips. It makes sense. You just go, accept 1,000 pip stop losses. Hey, bro, it makes sense. That's a sick strategy, 1,000, 2,000 pip stop loss. Bro, that's even flash crash. Even flash crash will not take you out. Bro, damn. Imagine having 1,000 pip stop loss. Even a flash crash will not take you out. Do you think that's possible to actually place I've never placed 1,000 pip stop loss. I'm actually curious now on this one account. Can I place wait, hold on a second. Let me actually see this.
You remember the last flash crash? Damn.
Bro, okay, let's see. Ooh. Damn. 1,000 pip stop loss. It's gonna be with like 0.01, no? Damn. 1,000 pip stop loss. Holy. There must be someone, man, like have just £1 million to dump in the market, just place 1,000 pip stop loss, and they're like, YOLO, risky for the biscuit. Bro, that druggy Sean from Astro used to have 200 to 300 pip stop loss. I've got no clue about those Astro guys there, bro, to be honest with you. I know they had beef with Raja, but I'm not too sure about them. But they again just like, a lot of marketing and like what's it called, getting students in, and it's mostly just most of these guys are sort of like marketers, right? They're not actual traders, that's the thing. But at the same time, I'm not going to talk on them because I don't know about them. I don't talk about anyone that I don't personally know about. I'm only talking about the streamers because we can all see what's happening, right? But those guys, I've got no clue, so I will not talk about them personally. But yeah, he's goated for crypto. Only legit guy from there was Tori. Tori. Yeah, I know that guy. He's sort of in my like group of like, not my friend personally, but my friend's friend, right? Tori, yeah. So he is one of my part of my group basically. He is goated, yeah. Yeah, bro. They're starting to give you that correction now, aren't they? But I just need to see a close and see how it closes. Because what the next one can do is it could still pump back up because of the negative numbers. So I think you do need a better confirmation. Well, you do have the breakout. You do have the close. If the next one does break the lows, you do have the range to the downside as well. But I would again recommend waiting for the 30-minute close rather than the 15-minute close, because it can easily flip bullish from here and cause a fake out very easily. But yeah, this scenario should be setting up very nicely. A nice clean close here for sales. Makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. And they can
Yeah.
like fill the imbalances with a weekly open
Mm-hmm.
Monday, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, could be a very clean trade. You just leave it running, especially if you have that 30-minute closing back below. It will give you that sort of clean wick fill to the downside as well. If they do start to break below that 4H 50% level, but you got plenty of room to the downside. That's the thing, right? You're about to see that clean play in the markets, very clean play in the markets at this point now. But you do need a little bit more extra bit of confirmation. Oh, you have a candle that has violated the whole structure and closed below this. So this is a candle which can give you a drop now, but at the same time, I think a little bit more confirmation is required in the markets before you look for anything here. Just a little bit more. And then from there, it should be a clean drop down until there 4H 50% level, and that's it. At that point, we're done for the week.
Yeah. Even if this one closes like this, you know,
Yeah.
the next 30-minute open can come all the way up, you know, and break to fill this and to fill this.
Yes, sir.
You know, made
Yes,
sense.
sir.
Yeah, made sense waiting for the next 30 minutes.
Exactly. You need to wait because of the numbers, and that's the thing, right? We've seen it many times ourselves. You can get one 15-minute closing below the support, and the next one can sort of break the resistance candle. We've seen this even when you have like, what's it called? A structure. When the structure is bearish, right? You see like once a very massive bullish candle, next one breaks the lows. It breaks the support candle. It's like the same concept. You can get this kind of breaking the resistance candle. But once we have a clean confirmation on the 30 minutes, is more there's more probability that this will play out, especially when you've taken a trade. You don't need to be very impulsive anymore. If let's say you had not taken an entry earlier, then yeah, you could be a bit more impulsive since you've got that risk for the day, but we don't need to personally be impulsive at the moment. We just need to wait for that confirmation. If it shows up, we've still got another hour or two left before the markets go dry, so just gotta wait, just gotta have patience. That's the thing, as a trader, you really do need to have patience if you want to be successful in this game. You've got to be very like disciplined, patience. You gotta have patience, and you can't hesitate when your entry shows up, right? So it has to be very systematic. Because imagine waiting all day, and then when your entry shows up, you're like, your hands are shaking, you know, your palms are sweaty. You can't be like that. That's where you need a system and plan in place. Once you have it, you just execute it. Very simple. But guys, if you have any questions about our strategy, let's do that. We've got another like 12 minutes left before we start to look for anything. So if you do have any questions for us regarding the strategy, regarding psychology, regarding anything, just ask us. Go for it. We will answer everything.
I'm not taking any trades, just here for the vibes. Damn.
Not taking trades, just here for the vibes. Yeah, you don't need to, bro.
Yeah.
Did you take anything earlier though? Did you take this trade with us earlier? The buy position all the way from down here. It's such a nice scenario. But yeah, there we go. They're giving you that sort of dump at this point now. Let it go. 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 It's an impulsive entry, so you gotta let it go. But think about it. If this ends up leaving a massive wick to the downside and it closes back above this, next one can again give you that retest of 2026. So you gotta be careful. You really do need to wait for this to come to a close before you look for that next position, right? Because what can happen now is, again, they sort of can trick you, because you gotta understand, you've always got to protect yourself from these tricks. So if they give you like a massive wick now and end up closing back above this key level that we're anticipating gold to close below with the 30 minutes, guess what? Then you again get faked out on the 15-minute time frame. So when you're trading against sort of like the bullish momentum as well as the fundamentals, then you do need a little bit more confirmation. So when we do have this confirmation, we can look for that downside play. But guys, make sure you are in our Discord. We will be dropping a lot of gems in our Discord. The link is in the description. Also, follow me on Insta. Follow Nuno on Insta as well. And if you have any questions, what is the appropriate lot size for a $400 account? Again, if you are in our private team, we can sort of provide you with this sort of support, but it's not something I can answer for you on the dot. It's like we need to have a proper conversation, go into what your targets are, how much is your risk appetite, and all of those things. So if you do join our private team, we can assist you with something like that. We will give you a whole plan, risk management plan, scaling plan, everything you need to be profitable. But I cannot answer that for you here on the dot, right? There's so many things I need to first of all find out. What is the risk tolerance? You know, shall we go in for a sell now? No, we need to wait for a confirmation. Not yet. Wait for this to close. Next 10 minutes, you look for a sell position. Not yet. And then you're going to use the upper wick on the next candle as a stop loss. So you have a lot of room to the downside because you're sort of anticipating this level here to get retested. So this is where now again measure the range. Plenty of room to the downside. You can easily squeeze out your 1-to-1 on this easily. Yeah. Easily you can squeeze out your 1-to-1 on this. Earlier, the buy position was amazing, and now this is exactly our sell scenario setting up. So guys, again, you need to understand, right? Early on, I will be very impulsive because I'm sort of like hungry. I'm hungry, right? Again, in a calculated manner. But later during the session, we're not hungry. We've hit our targets. So anything is a bonus. So this is where you got to be very humble and you got to wait for those extra bit of confirmations. That's what it is. Once you have an extra bit of confirmation, guess what? You will have confidence, right? You will hold this trade. You would not just come out of it because, again, you're not trading candles anymore. You're trading full price action. It's not just candles that you're trading, so there should be no FOMO. You're trading price action now. But yeah, the way they're dropping the price, beautiful, man. Beautiful. Just the way we anticipated it to. Just the way we anticipated it to. But as I said, the impulsive entries were on the break of this, but we did not take them. Because again, this candle could always become a fake out candle, right? So I'd rather stay out of this than get taken out after having a massive win earlier and destroy my psychology on the last day of the week. It just makes no sense. A lot of the people, they blow their accounts up either on Fridays or Mondays. Trust me, guys. Because on Fridays, either they're trying to chase those losses from early on, or they're trying to double their profits, and then they somehow lose the profits on Fridays, and then they try and recoup, and then they lose everything. So Fridays are very hard on your psychology. But we've had nothing but wins on wins on wins and wins and wins. So it doesn't mean we just take a massive position. It means we keep it humble and do exactly what we've done, which got us to this point. And guess what? If we don't take anything now, we've taken a massive win earlier. Monday, when we are back on Monday, we'll be in an amazing state when it comes to our psychology, right? And we will kill it again. No big deal.
Yeah, probably if it was on the NY Open, we might take the impulsive entry, you know. But now that we took a trade and we have profits, better wait for more confirmation.
Yeah, exactly. Because it is a Freaky Friday. They can potentially drop the price back to the daily lows and even past daily lows. Whereas you gotta understand, right? They need to start taking the price down now. And if the weekly needs to come to an end, they need to take it down now, essentially. So now it could really drop for the rest of the session. This could be the top side play done in the markets. They can now drop the price for the rest of the session because they need to give you a close somewhere, right? So are they going to give you a bearish candle? Are they going to give you a breather candle? What are they going to give you? There's too many questions, right? And so let's just see what they do. The winning streak was sick, bro. Thank you for joining in as well. And yeah, same thing next week as well. We should be killing it. that's the thing for us. It'll be very hard for us to like take consistent losses because again, we trade what the markets give us, and we're ready for anything that market throws our way. So for us, it's very hard to have like consecutive losses. Even if we do, because we have high R2R, positive R2R, like we will still come out very profitable at the end of the week. If let's say even we had like 2 losses in a row or something, right? That's the beauty of it, guys. That's the beauty of it. 2 to 2 to 2. But yeah, we need to do that giveaway on Discord as well. So hopefully everyone's in our Discord now. Did we get new members today? Yeah, we did. Perfect. Everyone should be in our Discord then.
Bro.
Okay, last 5 minutes left, bro. Last 5 minutes left. Let's see what happens. 5 more minutes.
140 members, bro, on Discord.
114. 1-4. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
114.
Nice. Very nice. We show our target is 1,000 at least on Discord. Building a community here. This is amazing. I love this. Okay, last 5 minutes left. I'll be right back, guys. 5 more minutes. Nuno, you take over.
All right. Winning streak was sick, bro. Yeah, man. Very, very nice week. Very, very nice week. All of you guys take the trade from the hand wide open. Or so where is it? Yeah. We are just waiting, bro, for the 30 minutes to close. Just seeing. You took it, Uber. You took the 1-to-1 or you let it run? What did you do? Oh man, if you let it run, damn. If you let the trade run, man, damn. Yeah, bro, it's looking like it's gonna drop, but we need to see how it reacts, everything, you know. Yeah, I believe. Okay. Hey guys, are you in Discord? Just there is a section for motivation and profits. You guys can post there. Go take a look and post something, man. Some of your profits. Doesn't matter if it was big accounts, small accounts. Just post the profits. It's good for you too. You know, to be proud of yourself and proud of your work. You know. Close for.
Okay, I'm back. So what we are looking for is this scenario plays out for us. Is if we can get pullback. But a lot of the times when there is no momentum, you don't really get pullback. So you might just get open and drop. But as I said, I'm not really interested in any impulsive entries at the moment. I'm willing to miss out on it, but what we can look for is we can look for a pullback, 5-minute resistance, and then break up the 5-minute resistance for a retest to the lows.
Exactly.
That's what I'm interested in. So This is the level where we need a 5-minute resistance. If we can break the lowest 5-minute resistance and then retest of the lows and break back below,
Great.
it will be a clean scenario if we can get that. Another minute left. Or it might just be because it's very high momentum playing out. It might just be a clean drop, and then from there they give you a pump back up. The thing is, if they do want to give you that weekly close now, decent close, they've taken out a lot of liquidity above here. They should be able to give you that pullback and just not leave any imbalances, unless they want to just give you that clean drop today and then on Monday, not Monday, Sunday night, drive the price all the way back up. So that's the open now.
Very nice, Uber. 50 pips was very good, bro.
50 pips is amazing, my brother. Amazing.
Yeah, it took it almost under resistance.
Amazing.
Nice, man.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's opening now.
Now we shall just wait for what we are looking for, and then if it shows up, we take it. Simple.
1 hour is breaking the lows too.
Yeah, should be an impulsive drop then. If it is breaking the lows, yeah, should be an impulsive drop at this point.
Yeah.
Yeah, should be an impulsive drop then. You can play this off 5 minutes though, if it does, but you need one more 5 minutes to close. Then you can play this off 5 minutes. If it does give you a clean break, then you can play off 5 minutes. Yeah, scalp this. Since then it should not pump up, but until then you do need to stay out for the first 5 minutes, because it can give you a drop, create a low, maybe retest this area here, like grab some orders, some rejection from here, and then start to give you that pullback, right? But at that point, at least we're gonna have this confirmation, the breakout confirmation, and then from there it's just a pullback, right? And once we have the next confirmation, that would be the entry confirmation, right? That's how you trade this. Or you have another scenario where you just let it break below, see how it closes, and then on the next 5 minutes, if it does behave, you can take a scalp. You have different scenarios that you can trade, but as of yet, you sort of just have to stay out of this. Unless you want to take this and like place your stop loss above here, go for it. Be my guest, it will play out. But if you're trying to be decent here, then wait for it. Or if you want to be really impulsive, you could also take this. But I think the first 5 minutes will be important to you. Just wait for the first 5 minutes. But we've seen this happen many times, you know. Or in other scenarios, you could take this and just anticipate the pullback level to be respected if you have the range. But again, it's because it's below the 4H 50%, it's not worth it. So the only thing within this range that makes sense is the first 5 minute close and the next 5 minutes, see how it behaves. That scenario is the only one that makes sense at the moment, unless you have a pullback and then break below. So hopefully in the next 3 or so minutes, you should be able to get that drop. And I'm only risking like £100 out of these £400 to take the next entry. So it will be most likely a scalp entry, because I'll have that range. And if there is enough momentum in the markets, the next candle needs to open somewhat like this. It depends. If this one gives you the 2008, then yeah, we're not looking for it, obviously, because the whole point is that it's a scalp, because we have the area to the downside, this support level, right? We have the range to the downside. So let's see what happens in the first 5 minutes. Closing below this previous level. This one should be the one, either closing back above, causing a clean fake out, then you start a pullback, or yeah, it gives you a clean drop. Let's see. Usually we would be in something like this from up there if it was like the start of the session, but not towards the end. It's really no need, honestly, no need whatsoever. But guys, do you have any new people? Did any new people join us today? Let us know in the chat. Let us know in the chat, because I pretty much know everyone that's watching us so far, and I'm gonna try and keep that up for as long as I can. Even if you have hundreds of people watching, I want to make sure I know everyone that's watching. So let me know in the chat if we got any new people watching us today. What's happening, Kumar? Hopefully you're good, bro. Did you just start watching the live streams, or were you watching someone else before? But yeah, for anyone, you know, any new people, we've got crazy winning streak this whole week. Amazing. Nuno, do you want to tell them what we've done this week? For all the new people.
Yeah, bro. 234 pips. Like,
Yeah, we have caught 234 pips this week, guys. 234 pips. 0 losses this week, and each trade that we took was positive R2R. So that means, you know, less on the stop loss, more on the take profit.
and all the trades are tracking.
Exactly, everything's tracked. Is tracked. Every single thing. We track trades as well after we take our trades. We take trades. Also, we have like small live accounts, right? So it's something that you can copy. It's not like a big account. So on this candle here now, if here's a scalp position, you know what the next candle needs to do? Either give you a retest of this area or this area and break the lows. And then it should be able to give you that drop. Clean drop. And so the scalp position can play out your 1-to-1s, but it's tricky. It's not something you have to take, but it can play out. If you want to risk some of the profits to make more, the scalp position can set up here if they give you a break from this level of ours. That's retesting, or the 64% level. Any past is too much of a pullback, then it's losing that momentum. The whole point of this is to have momentum, high momentum, break the lows. That's it. Reject. Now you need this to flip, break the lows, and then give you that 1-to-1 sort of thing. But if it starts to go past it now, then it's becoming too much of a pullback. It means that it's rejecting this level and gaining some momentum to the top side. So most likely then you want to wait for that pullback and then sell the markets from up there, right? Yep, it's going past the 50% level. Is giving you too much of a pullback, right? At this point, too much of a pullback. When the momentum's there in the markets, it doesn't usually give you this much of a pullback. It will give you a very tiny pullback, break the lows. But again, it can work out, but I'm going to personally stay off this now. Because now the stop loss is becoming a little bit bigger. And the whole point of this is that it's a scalp. And I'd rather just wait for a clean pullback and sell it from up there. Yeah, 20 pip stop loss. No, it's not worth it. I'm staying out of this. Bro, you don't think sales have passed? Already dropped 100 pips? Not really. There's still some room to the downside. There's still a lot of room to the downside. But now I would not personally take it because it's just that the R2R is not there. But no, there's personally still a lot of room to the downside. It can still drop a lot. But just not at the moment. But that's the thing with us. We don't just take a position. We wait for our confirmations. And again, it has dropped 100 pips, but look how much of a range we have to the downside. We still have another 100 pips to the downside because we're trading the intraday range. We're not selling the lows. We're selling it's literally the mid-range that we're selling. That's the whole thing, right? If you're trading a daily range, if you have the R2Rs, you take it. Because again, if we were selling like here, that would be so stupid. But when you're selling this up here, you have the confirmations and you still have 100 pips to the downside. Because what happens on candles? The wicks get filled, right? I just started watching, but I watch other streamers too. Oh, amazing, bro. Yeah. Oh, you will definitely learn a lot from us. Trust me, bro. Make sure you drop a like, join our Discord, and follow us on Insta. We will be uploading a lot of content. This is just our first week here, guys. So we're about to kill it, honestly. Got a lot of stuff planned. Even now, bro, if this breaks the lows, it's most likely going to drop. But I'm going to stay out of it. It's respecting the previous candle. The minute it breaks the lows, it will drop. It's got plenty of room to the downside, by the way. Plenty of room. It can drop another 90 to 100 pips, this whole move. So the minute it breaks the lows now, it can start dropping downtown. But because it's given you so much of a pullback, I would personally like to see this turning as a support candle, next one breaking the lows. Then it makes sense to enter, but not in this candle. Maybe in the next 2 minutes they break the support candle, then it makes sense. Mohammed, gold on up or down trend, bro? Gold on up or down trend? I don't know. What's the trend? I don't usually trade trends. I don't know. There is no trend. We trade the daily range. We don't look at the trends. But at the moment, it's, I guess, in an uptrend because the structure's bullish, so it's in an uptrend, and this could be a pullback or a sell-off again. Yeah, but this is very bullish. The structure is bullish, so you can say uptrend, but maybe downtrend now on the lower time frames. That's the thing. Like your question, I can't answer it. Which time frame are you talking about? On the 1 minute downtrend? On the 30 minutes uptrend? So which time frame? It depends. It depends. Will you stop doing YouTube sessions? When will you stop doing YouTube sessions? At the moment, I don't plan on stopping. I'm here to take over, as I said, and really go all in. So I'm not stopping anytime soon. But again, I know I will get to like a point where I will get exhausted, and by then I would have done my job. Especially the people in our Zoom would have everything that they need. Like, you guys don't understand. I will introduce you to some people. I've changed their lives by just teaching them how to trade. So, but by then I think I would have done my part, and then if I get exhausted, I'll take some time off again. Yeah, because I work for myself, so whenever I feel like I need to take some time off and I need to rest, I will do that. But at the moment, I don't plan on taking any time off.
Take a time on next Ramadan, okay? till then, bro.
Yeah, next Ramadan, man. Yeah, this is gonna work out very nicely, but I'm not gonna take it. Break up the support candle. It should start dropping downtown. I might risk it for the biscuit, you know. It's not like I'm gonna lose anything. It's just £100. Let's risk it for the biscuit. But guys, make sure you don't take this if you're not risking your profit. Don't be greedy. Do not be greedy. There's no need to be greedy. But let me just pay attention here now. Make this a little bit bigger, because I'm starting to like this if they give you a clean break below this. But don't be greedy if you have not made any profits. For us, we've made a lot of profits. I'm just risking some of the profits here. If the alert goes off and the highs are being respected, I'll give you a go. But if it starts to pump up now, then yeah, we know we're waiting for a retest up here before taking it down. But we have that support candle. If it does respect the highs, 50% pullback down, breaks the lows, we have the range to the downside. Man, one thing about Magic is, you know, when you take a BE trade, it considers it as a loss. So it's messing up like my, you know how it shows you probability of this account losing is very high because of like all the BE trades, because it considers it a loss every time you take a BE trade. They need to change that function. It should only be considered a loss if your loss limit that you've set on Magic Keys get hit. Otherwise, it's not really accurate, the probability area.
You need to bring the fee down.
DA, you need to bring the fee down. What fee are you talking about? This is for free, bro. What fee are we talking about here? I don't have any fee for the YouTube live streams. This is for free. It's not. Or do you mean you need to bring the free down, as in like charge you guys? Is that what you mean? We don't have any fees. This is free. This is all for free. There is no fee. I'm not asking you guys for any fees. This is for free. But if you mean for Zoom, if that's what you mean, bro, you use SMC or you use another method? No, I don't use no SMC, man. I don't do SMC. I don't do anything like that. I just do my own way of trading. It's my strategy. I don't do SMC or anything like that. I meant the Zoom membership. Well, the Zoom is only for like the serious people who want to do this for a sort of like a living. For me, I'm not interested in taking anyone on Zoom that's not ready to start making money with us. You can use the live streams to learn. If you want to just like join me to, you know, if you want to actually come and earn with me, then you're more than welcome to, because then £100 a month will not be an issue for you, because you're trading Forex, you're trading the markets, trillions of dollars being pumped every single day. So if you're not at that point yet, then you need to get to that point first before, you know, you come join our team. I'm very brutal, guys, when it comes to it. There's levels to this, right? You need to understand what level you're on. I'm saying this in a humble way because I know what level I'm on as well, and there's always progress, right? So I'm saying this in like a nice way, not in like a, you know, bad way, if that makes sense, right? Don't ever take what I say in a negative way, because it's just tough love, right? If you can't afford to pay £100 a month, then you need to first get to that point. And trading at the moment is just not for you. You can still learn it, but you're not ready. So the whole point of Zoom is that you come and you actually join our team and earn with us. You know, we're not here telling you like it's one mentorship and you're just learning. We want you to learn, and we also want you to execute and learn with us. In the signal channel of Don, he took a sell at 2010. And the sell at of the top of the previous 5-minute closure. Wait, so the stop loss is up here? No, wait, that is dangerous sell, bro. He really did? Really? I think maybe I'm in his... Are you in his Discord, you know? Check.
No.
No, I think it's for paid members. Send us a screenshot, PG, if he did. I want to see it. Maybe he did, maybe he didn't. I don't know. We need to see it. But there are no sells at the moment. We need a pullback. That's what we are waiting for. A pullback and then a drop. At the moment, there is no sell position. It's going to pump up. 0 sell positions at the moment. Did they end the live streams? Oh, they ended the live stream. Okay. But yeah, no sell positions at the moment. Maybe he thinks that this is gonna be respected because there's a rejection here, and then it's not gonna break above it and it's gonna give you a clean drop. I don't know, but no sell positions at the moment. It needs to pull again. It needs to give you a pullback, sustainable high, and then from there start dropping. Not yet. It still can work, but very dangerous position. It's not a high probability trade at the moment. If you want to take a buy position, that's again dangerous because you have the 30-minute confirmation that's going to drop at least down to, you know, the next key area, which is just down here. So you still have some more room to the downside, right? But no buy positions or sell positions just here. You need a pullback, a resistance forming here, and then a break below the resistance candle, or like a breather candle up here, and then break the breather candle, and then you take it out. Until then, you just stay out of this. There's nothing here at the moment. As you guys can see, I haven't taken anything myself yet. It still can drop, but it's not something I'm willing to take. If it does break below this, it can drop. But I'm not willing to take it. No, not yet.
Signature.
We got plenty more time left before the markets come to an end. Like we've got at least, we'll host it for at least another hour. You know, it's Friday because I'm gonna miss you guys, man. I don't like weekends as a trader.
Yeah,
you know?
bro.
I don't like weekends.
I don't like it too,
On
man.
weekends, I'm like, okay, is it Monday? Is it Monday yet? Man, if I could invent a time machine, bro, I would use it on the weekends. But they're really good for you, though. All jokes aside, like you need to reset your brain and then get ready for the week ahead. But guys, 100% win rate this whole week. Positive R2R trades, amazing. Next week is going to be even better because it's a clean week. Next week is also clean, so should be able to catch a lot of trades and nice trades, you know, good trades. And again, these are live accounts that we're showing you, very humble accounts, so you can definitely replicate this. Make sure you guys are in the Discord. If you're new to the live chat, the live streams, join our Discord. The link is in the description. Follow us on Insta, and we are about to drop a lot of gems for us and bringing some real trading back to this YouTube space. And guys, drop a like as well. Drop a like on the stream. Give us the extra bit of motivation to stay consistent on the live streams. But yeah, sell positions as of yet are very dangerous. Same thing goes for the buy positions. But once we have that scenario for from 2015 to 2017, then it's a clean sell position to the downside, and most likely they will drop gold for the rest of the session. Most likely. What is your method, bro? I miss your YouTube stream until Monday. I will miss you. Yes, I will miss you guys too. I have my own method. I've been trading for 5 years now, and so I've also been trading gold. That's it. I used to trade GJ, but I've always been a gold trader. So, when you start to trade something for this long, and also I've been always been trading from like intraday range as well as like scalping. So I've like create my own methodology and my own ideology, and it works so nicely. Works very nicely. It's probably one of the. So again, I'm not gonna say it's the holy grail, because for me it's the holy grail personally, right? For me, it's crazy R2Rs, and 80 to 90% win rate. Like, it's just insane. Everything's in the place now. I'm so happy that I've gotten myself to this point and I've built this strategy. This strategy here. If I give this strategy to you guys, this will change lives. It has changed lives, guys. I've literally taught someone how to trade in 6-7 months, and they've funded now with 50K, and now they've made like 10 grand on their live account. This is just one example. Like, if I teach you guys the whole strategy, trust me, this is like a game changer. This is no SMC or any of that BS like 90% of these guys are following. This is my own thing I've done through back testing and so many failures. But yeah, I'm happy now. I'm in a place where I can consistently make a lot of money from trading, and from here the only thing I need to do is just do what I know works. And that's the thing. This works on every single what's it called? Like, whatever market conditions, I'm ready for them, right? It could be news, it could be this, it could be that. So I don't have any uncertainty. Like, a lot of the times the way these guys trade with buy stops and sell stops, it gives me anxiety. It's too much uncertainty, man. I know how to read price action. I know how to read structure, psychological levels. There's so much that goes into it. Liquidity, ranges. There's so much that goes into it, right? But when you understand all of these things, what you can do is you can start to build up high probability setups, right? So that's what I do. Because I have an understanding of these things, I can just build a high probability setup and execute it without hesitation. Because my psychology is there, right? Because I've done it many times now without hesitation. And so that's what I do. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Stress-free way of trading as well. Because I remember back then, like 3 years ago or 2 years ago, the way I used to trade was too stressful. But yeah, this is very stress-free. You guys have seen it. You guys have witnessed it on the live streams. And yeah, this is just the first week, guys. The first week back, guys. Wait until you see like a crazy winning streak on monthly basis. But I don't want it to be like a thing, like winning streak. I don't want it to be like a thing. It's just like a thing I like to say. But yeah, we will have losing days as well. It's normal. But when we do take those losses, it will be very much managed. Dear Nuno, thank you for this week's lives. Caught most of the trades ideas you guys called out. See you guys next week. Thank you. Take care. Have a lovely weekend. Take care. Have a lovely weekend.
Take care, bro. Bye-bye. Thank you.
And guys, post your profits in our Discord as well. Post it on your Insta stories, tag us. We need everyone's help to grow, honestly. Also drop a like on the stream. It takes 1 second and it will just make us happy.
It's always nice, man. You go to the Discord, to the community, you go to the motivation and profits, and you see all the people.
41 likes. Thank you guys so much. Our like target was 40 likes and we've done it. Amazing stuff, guys. Amazing stuff. Just wait until the next week starts. We're going to kill it. We're going to kill it. And everyone that's joining our team this weekend, we will be giving you guys like the gems, like, the education that you need before the next week starts, the trading plans, the risk management, everything that you need. And so whoever is joining our private team, just message us on Insta. We will be accepting everyone today, tomorrow, this whole weekend. And yeah, we will also just tell you how you can make your money back and even more profits next week with us. We'll give you all the gems that you need. Just DM us. It's about to be a great week ahead of us, guys. About to make a lot of money next week as well. Very clean price action. That's what I love about next week. Super clean. Look at that. No bank holidays. Super clean. We got USD news coming up. 1:30. Volatility should be a profitable day. Then USD news again coming up. Should be 2 profitable days guaranteed, because we don't take L's. Then we've got Wednesday coming up. Okay, should be a clean day. Thursday coming up. Again, news coming in. Oh man, guys, next week you really want to be here, because
even at 4,
it's about to go crazy next week. And then the week after, do we have any USD bank holiday? Because it's been a minute. No, the week after is clean as... Ooh, more news the week after. Damn, man, the next 2 weeks are going to be super, super good. Super, super good. Okay, the week after then. Okay, then we got bank holiday. But that's like after 2 weeks, we got bank holiday. So that's fine. No big deal at all. Not a big deal at all. I think, guys, I'll be calling it a session here in the next sort of 6 minutes now. It's about to be 4 o'clock. We don't want to encourage any over trading. We really appreciate everyone here. Drop the last bit of W's in the chat. Drop the last bit of likes in the chat. Let us know if you guys caught these trades with us. You know, follow us on social medias, Discord, everywhere, and we will be calling it a week here. Again, guys, we will be dropping a lot of gems in our Discord and on our social medias during the weekend, which you really want to look out for. And thank you guys so much. This is the week done. First week back. Very successful week. Let's drop some W's in the chat for the week now, guys. Very successful week, guys. First week back. Crazy winning streak. Crazy trades taken. Done in front of you guys on the live accounts. Insane week. So we started from like Tuesday onwards, right? What was the date on Tuesday? It was the 9th. Let me see what we did on the 9th. Like, all the trades are here. Give me a second. Let me see if I can pull this up quickly. From the 9th, what did we do? So let's just see what we've done on the smallest account here from the 9th. 14th, from the 9th. Okay, look at this. On this account, all of the trades were taken on the YouTube live stream from 9th. What did I do? There we go. On the 9th, we started the live streams. We had 0 losses this whole week on a small live account. We are up £1,800 profits. This is how much someone will make in a month. This is what I've done in front of every single one of you guys on a small live account. So there are no excuses. Everyone can drop 1 lot, 2 lot, less than 1 lot, less than 1 lot, 0.4, 0.50, 0.9s, 0.9s. That's it. Positive RTRs, no crazy losses. 1,800 plus pound profits done in front of your eyes, guys. In front of your eyes on the smallest live account. This is how much someone will make in a whole month. Even less than this in the UK, because people make like £400 something every week, right? I think, what was it, bro? Like 450 people make in the UK working
It's
5
2
days
months.
a week.
2
450
months
times
in
by
Portugal.
4. Oh, that's 4, but yeah, 1.8. Basically, there you go. Whatever someone's gonna make in a month, we've done it in a week on a small live account. So trust me, this is where the money is. This is the most profitable business. And when you do this on a bigger scale, the way we do it, like with copy traders and everything like that, guys, there is a lot of money here, and we can teach you how to do this. And this is not £1 million account, so I'm showing you realistic results. And this is it, guys. Crazy winning week. Every single trade that you can see here, go back on the YouTube live streams. You can see every single trade was taken here in front of you guys. And yeah, we're gonna put our, we're gonna let the actions do the talking, guys. Like, we're not here to just sell you something. It will always be backed by actions. And there you go, the evidence right there. Live account again. You can see his IC mark is live account right here. And every single trade was executed in front of your eyes on the streams. And this is it. The week's come to an end. We've done £1,800 profits. This is in GBP, guys. In GBP. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the week. Drop a like, follow us on socials, join our Discord. We will be calling it our session here now for the week. We are done. We've got another 2 minutes left. If you have any questions for the next minute or so, go ahead and ask us any questions. Otherwise, we're calling it our session here, and we will be back from next week. But yeah, we didn't watch any traders losing money today videos, but we saw it on the live stream, so it's fine, right?
Yeah.
It's the same thing, isn't it? Okay, guys, peace out then. Take care. Have a lovely weekend. Catch up with you guys on Monday. And yeah, take it. Have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye. See you.